Hopefully, you seem pretty loyal. You gotta join Team YouTube. You gotta join Team YouTube. I'm live on YouTube as well. I feel like you belong in the YouTube chat. Same thing, same way you join TikTok, you know? You like the manual invitation right here. Yo, Adam, Cookie. Same username, same username. Everything the same. I actually. What's up, Cookie? Adam. Wait up for people to join. Alright, set up the chart. Yes. Should be NQ. I mean, it should be NQ. NQ, let me in. Morning, Adam, and then another Adam. Good morning, brothers. Uh, Pablo, Ace Mills, Richard, Ryan. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's up, Ant? I see you, Fofo. What's the bias today? We'll cover bias. We'll cover bias. Just waiting for more people to join. That way I don't have to repeat myself every single time I talk about my bias. Let's sign into the account. Still break even on the accounts. On this account, on the top step accounts we're up. So see if we can get up on both today. Bro, Discord link don't work. On TikTok, the Discord links don't work. You're gonna have to copy paste it into a browser. Alright? So if you're on TikTok, you want to join the free Discord, you want to get that ebook drop on Friday, copy paste the link into No, I think you're good, Pablo. I don't think My Fun Futures has a rule. If you want to join the Discord, you gotta copy paste the link. Or go on my Instagram or go on my YouTube and click the link from there. But if you're on TikTok, TikTok doesn't allow Discord to open in mobile apps. Koala, what's up, brother? Do you trade Silver Bullet during your game session? Of course. Of course, everyone should know Silver Bullet. Narrative. Alright, we got DXY. Let's look at DXY quickly. Just briefly. You profitable? Not in the last 2 months, 3 months. Did you find daily buys looking at Asia and London? Sometimes. What indicator you got on? Very simple. I only use one indicator. It just marks out Asia and London session, midnight open, and New York open. That way I don't have to do it. Just saves me some time. It's the only indicator I use. That video is at 149. It's called ICT kill zones and pivots. ICT kill zones and pivots. All right, let's chart. Previous day high was my drawn liquidity. The fact we came all the way down here to the rejection block, failed to take previous day low. Tuesday low week might be strong. Welcome, welcome. Everyone's joining up. Anyone shorted in Q. Don't trade ICT, you'll be profitable. I mean, I've gotten my payouts so far. I'm good. I think I'm on the right path, but thank you. But every time I have tea, I always trade better. So I'm gonna start making tea out of my special mug. I also have a bagel here. Use ICT, of course, of course. I swear tea helps. What's up, YCG? What's up, Guarv? Bodo, what's up? Does it work on futures? I say it works best on futures, but it works everywhere. Buy a moment. But let me tell my girl. What's your bias? We'll cover bias. We'll cover bias. Someone said bearish. I don't think so. I use top set. You think Thursday reversal? Can you share the topics? Guarav, I share my GEMS model. my execution morning strategy, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to predict the market. Are you profitable? I've gotten 3 payouts. The last 2 months, last month was losing month. Last 2 months before that were break even. So, did you know that ICT stands for I Can't Trade? I do favor taking the weekly high, but looking for a bearish reversal here. I don't think it's coming. Beautiful range deviation. This is going to be covered in the model. This is your London Power of 3 bullish protected low. London breaker confirms the reversal. There's your unicorn 6:30 a.m. I don't trade 6:30 a.m. so we didn't take this. Do you have your buys for today? I'm going to see if I can look for longs, but yeah, it's not clean. Not clean. Obviously, we took the buy side already. I don't think we'll come back and take London lows. We could look for a retracement short into like some sort of hourly fair value gap or something. But overall on the day, I'm pretty bullish still. I don't think we're taking London lows. This looks like a protected London low. I don't think Thursday and Friday is gonna, bro, stop selling ICT concepts. I don't even sell any ICT concepts, bro. What are you talking about? I'm 250 away from passing my funded account. My top is saying that I don't have an account. Please, someone help. You probably need to check your billing. Like the best trade that might set up today is just a retracement. So maybe a 930 power of 3. Show me your session indicator. Got you, bro. So all I have activated on this indicator is Asia, London. So Asia, London. Then scroll down. You have midnight open, New York open. That's the only 2 things that I mark up. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, we have 7 minutes till the open. You have 700 coins. I just transferred my XRP. Too slow. If you're gonna go with crypto, I think your best bet is just trying to find a meme coin that goes crazy. I don't know. Which indicator? The indicator is called ICT kill zones and pivots. It just marks out Asia and London. You can always do it manually. Bias. Right now, I mean, I'm going to expect some sort of retracement, but I don't think we take London lows today. Where can we reach to? Obviously, we have imbalances up here. Daily imbalance. I don't think we invert this entire move. We can expect a retracement, but again, I'm still bullish, you know? I would rather like maybe see price come here and we can take a long or something, you know? Would I take a short? Yeah, I'll take a short targeting a retracement. But for the most part, I think price is going to continue up today. Just looks like a Tuesday reversal. Wednesday came back into the range, which is fine. How you doing, mate? Premium org? Yes, premium org. Why isn't this a big manipulation? Like, just the timing doesn't make sense. We don't have any large volatility drivers. I don't think we're going to reverse this entire day. Look at the wick we've already put in. 144 points, trading up. I don't think we're going to reverse this entire move. And you got the fund at break even? No, talking about evals. And look at the hourly. Yeah, there's a nice RTH there. We'll probably fill that up today. Yeah, I like that. Unfavorable for expansion? It's already expansion. What do you mean? We've expanded 230 points. If you target from London low, it's been 300 points, bro. Break even yesterday, brother. New York frames London frames the reversal. I want to see retracement and then continuation. If we don't retrace, then I don't trade. You know, it is what it is. We missed the move. Simple, very simple. How do you know what the other session highs and lows are? What do you mean the other? Can you tell me why my chart's delayed by 10 minutes? It's because you don't have real-time data, brother. What if we already distributed? London low of day? I think it's London low of day. Yeah, look at the range deviation. Man, this is so consistent. Just look at the range deviation. Higher time frame PD ray. Someone was asking me about unfilled imbalances. One tick sweep. Range deviation from London. You can do this two ways. Look at the last impulse leg up. That's your last impulse leg up from the accumulation. Or just use the range. Bias for today. I think price will continue higher. In terms of trading it, unless we get a retracement, I won't be able to find a good trade. What's up, Alex? Range deviation into a higher time frame PD rate with the right context will give you a protected highs and lows. That's how London reversal works. That's how New York reversal works. Sorry, New York continuation works. We're going to look for a continuation in New York session. Okay, how do you do the line so strength? What do you mean so strength? You got to hold shift. The line will go straight. If you don't hold shift, it's going to go like this, and you can't. But if you hold shift, it'll go straight. All right. Let's put this away for now because we don't need this. We just need midnight open, New York open. 1 minute till market open. Oh, that's why it's hard to read TikTok. Because I don't have the chat open like that. All right. Someone said reversal sweep. Yeah, a lot of people... Listen, I'm not going to say today that price is not going to reverse. But if this sounds like you, let me give you guys some very basic advice. Don't always go into the New York session and, oh, you see it going up, think it's going to reverse. It's not always going to reverse, you know? You have to understand, this is just the daily candle. There's still a weekly candle that we're playing in, right? The weekly candle, if it's not going to reverse it already reversed. The weekly candle already came down here, took previous week low, and reversed. Confirmation of the reversal, the breaker, you know? So always understand that higher time frame, power of three. I'm telling you guys, power of three. Listen, everyone on TikTok, everyone on YouTube, this Friday, my power of three book, and I'm going to show you guys how accurate you can get with predicting bias and taking trades. I need to work on the execution part, but my bias is already there. It's always been there. You guys know me, I always predict very, very accurately. So far, we're 3 for 3. Hopefully today, I think we're going to be 4 for 4. I think price is going to come here. I've already marked out this line, right? I think we can get there today. I mean, there's also the fair value gap here on the 4 hour, so I think we can get there. What do you think about gold? I'd also expect continuation. Probably weekly bearish fair value gap. I wouldn't mind shorting from there, actually. We're inside the breaker. Maybe we can wick into the fair value gap and then go lower next week. That'd be nice. My PDF is done. And look at the market drop. Nice retracement so far. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Before I answer questions, we need to lock in here. One sec. Potentially setting up a nice power of three for us here. Okay, we've set up the org level. I like this fair value gap to long off of potentially because it overlaps with 50%. But it's going to come down to time. Everyone keeps asking me, when are we going to retrace? That might be it right there, bro. But we'll see. How'd you get the eye? Just put the emoji. Someone said looking for shorts. No problem. I'm personally, I'm gonna look for a long. I mean, I don't mind shorting into a discount or something. Exactly, continuation. That's it. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. London frames the reversal. New York will frame the continuation, right? We got expansion pre-market. So wait, just wait. If it's never gonna come back down, don't chase it. Just let it go. Just let it go. You know? We took sell side, we took buy side. I want to see a move back into the range. This is your AMD double purge model. Do I think it's gonna happen? Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, I don't mind shorting into a discount, but then I'll look for longs after. Look at gold. Yeah, bro, I'm still bullish today on gold. There it is, double purge. Sell side taken, buy side taken, New York open accumulation. If we get a bearish fair value gap here, I'll take it. By the way, I like the reversal deviation, range deviation. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's your buy for today? I want to see retracement and I want to see higher prices. You can short. This is a bearish order block. I'm not gonna short this. I don't short the bearish order blocks. I'll wait for a fair value gap. But yeah. So listen, every single person watching on TikTok and YouTube, this Friday in my Discord, free. I'm not charging nothing. Free. We're hosting an event. I'm dropping the last trading book. The last one, this is going to give you bias. It's going to help you understand every single market move. Every single market move is a PO3. How do you find the event? Where is... Oh, here. This Friday, see 124 people already tuned in. They're going to be there for the book drop. There's probably going to be more. We'll see if people show up. This Friday, 12 o'clock. Join the Discord. Be there. The book drop's free. You can see we're getting that retracement leg right now. Didn't take the order block. I don't mind this fair value gap. Don't think it's going to come to us, though. It's free Discord. Free Discord. There it is. There's the drop. Like I said, I would have taken this fair value gap, but it did not give it to us. They did not give it to us. So, double purge theory. This is going to be in the book. Double purge. You take the sell side first. Stop out anyone long. Then you pump. Stop out anyone who went short. And then the real move. Double purge. Exactly what you want to see. The best way AMD can form is this way. It's the most probable. Full gap closure. It's coming. That would have been a good trade. Yep, the order block was there. I personally don't trade the order block, but it's a little too risky for me, because it could have went into some consolidation. But there it is, yeah. Org low. Hit perfectly. All right. We have the hourly bullish fair value gap down here. And now what you want to see is, ideally, best case scenario, is you get a reversal deviation, -2 to -2.5, which doesn't really overlap with much. We'd have to take out this 630 low and the 15-minute bullish fair value gap there. That would be nice if we can get there and then frame a reversal. You took the OB. Nice. Yeah, very clean. The OB was very nice. I personally don't like the OB because sometimes I take the OB and I get chopped out, but you got one entry there. It was your order block. You could have tried to predict the breakaway gap once this candle formed. Yeah, there it is. There it is. See if we can get to -2. Now we're looking for a reversal deviation. This is your 15-minute fair value gap. Let's open up the accounts here, actually. Can I help with gold? It's too high. You know, gold didn't do the same retracement as NQ. We just hit -2 standard deviations. Always mark out ES as well. Always mark out ES as well. See, ES got a full expansion there. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't see this. All right, ES just hit your -2, -2.5 as well. There is a 15-minute fair value gap just below. There is a small fair value gap there. I want to go to the 30-minute and see. It's a very, very aggressive move. Very aggressive move. You might not want to, you know, if something moves this aggressive, you might not want to look for a reversal because this is almost looking like a manipulation. Like, when I say manipulation, I don't mean like it's going to reverse. When I say manipulation, I mean like they're sending the shit to the ground. You know, don't buy. This is like the falling knife analogy. Like, you know, what's the daily candle looking like? Like, damn, we flipped daily candle. Thursday reversal? I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, very, very volatile market. Very volatile market. Do I think it's going to reverse? I mean, to be honest, on the higher time frame, weekly, monthly, I was favoring shorts based on yesterday's price action. I do want to see long. The only move that was predictable so far, we did predict it coming here. I said double purge, move lower, -2, -2.5. That's your perfect TP level. Do I think it's going to go up now? That was really aggressive. We're just going to have to wait, you know? We just went below midnight opening on both assets. We're inside the bullish breaker. Yeah, I don't. If we'd have to start, we're going to take out sell side now. Can we see your fifth? What's a double purge? Double purge is AMD when it takes out both sides. It's a double fake move. In this case, very easy one to spot. You have consolidation pre-market, right? What happens? We take sell side. People think it's AMD up. People think sell stops get triggered. We get a strong candle. People buy the breakout. As soon as they buy the breakout, you get this. Double purge is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. No more longs? We'll have to see, you know? We'll have to see. What pair is this? This is NASDAQ. I wouldn't do anything right now, to be honest. You just TP'd and it fucking dumps. Yeah, it happens. If you ever see if you're ever gonna do this, -2 to -2.5 is really, really good. Really, really good to aim for. If you get cautious, what you can do, listen closely, what you can do, and this is in my model, this is in the book. As soon as you hit around -0.5 to -1, go break even because it shouldn't reject off -1. Why? Because it shouldn't be a range deviation. Let me give you an example really quick. Just like this. See this? This is a range deviation. This is your manipulation. This is how you predict where manipulation can be. You use the previous range. That's one way. See how it rejected 0.75, 0.5? It didn't even get to -1. So you can use that concept for trade and validation. If we start to go lower, we start to reject -1, -0.5, -7.5, you know your trade's probably wrong. So no one buying in this? Not yet. Just gonna have to wait for some market structure. I don't mind taking longs. Obviously aggressive move. I'm just gonna need to see a lot more. Hey, set up the -2 on your chart. Where do I get your book? The book's in the Discord for free this Friday. I already have 3 books on ICT. This Friday is my Power of 3 book. Everything to do with range deviations, reversal deviations, and predicting market moves. Really, every single market move is a Power of 3. Once you understand that, this is 930 Power of 3. Very simple. Very simple. How can you expect to drop? Because you know it's going to probably continue. If it's going to continue, right? And this is the nice thing about it. If we're wrong, It doesn't matter because our bias was looking for prices to go lower anyways, because it's either going to reverse or continue at this point. It's unlikely it's just going to keep going up because of how far in a premium it is. Yep, trade invalidation will be in the book. Trade invalidation will be in the book. Protected highs and lows will be in the book. Everything on power of, I mean, not everything. To be honest, there's much more. It's impossible to put it all in the book. Sells from the OB. I mean, there was an hourly bearish fair value gap. Hourly bearish fair value gap there. What is Judas swing? Judas swing's your 930 power of 3. It's just one of the, that's like the classic model. So we're going to wait here. Yeah. We'll see if 10 a.m. can frame a reversal. If not, we'll maybe look for continuation and Thursday high of week. This Friday, 12 o'clock in the Discord. Guys, I'm telling you guys, just give it a chance. Be there. Click the thing that says interested just so you get the notification. Don't miss it. But this Friday, be there. Do I work 9 to 5? I'm live right now at 9. So, no, I don't work 9 Eastern time, 12 o'clock Friday. Other books are in the Discord as well. They're all free. Other books are in the Discord. You're going to have books. You will not find books like that anywhere else, right? They're all ICT books. I'm planning to buy gold for 1 hour. Bullish FEG is a good approach. Oh, it looks like gold's going lower too. I'd probably expect gold to move lower here. Maybe take out relative equal lows, hourly fair value gap, you said? Yeah, maybe relative equal lows, hourly fair value gap. It's not a bad setup here. You give so much sauce. Yep, I just got to work on executing myself. So far, our bias has been, I'd say 4 for 4, right? We expected we did say retracement. So even if it doesn't reverse, I still count this as valid. You know, if there was a fair value gap here, we would have taken this, but it didn't even, I knew it was, I didn't even put the order because I knew damn well it wasn't going to come back, which is fine. All right. Target for longs would be these 2 green lines and then high of day. Careful. LOTD? What's LOTD? How long you been trading? It's been about a year, brother. Am I missing, I gotta take a bite out of my bagel. What's this? This is NASDAQ. Going up from here? Very possible. Very possible we go up from here. I'd want to see this 15-minute fair value gap hold. Are you profitable? Last month was loss. 2 months before that were break even. Actually, last month was loss. The month before that was winning. The last 2 months before that were break even, and everything else that was profitable. So kind of struggling the last 2 months, but we can come back. That's so sad, Zach. That's so sad. What program is this? This is TradingView. How long you been trading for? Just over a year, brother. You took 3 trades. Tomorrow I'll complete the next account. I always post my trades. Good shit. Good shit, bro. That's really good. You think London low will be taken? Do I think London low will be taken? I do favor a reversal here. What coin is this? This is NASDAQ futures. I don't know. This is not crypto. I'm always ready to learn. Did we invert the 15? We did not invert the 15. We don't need to go any lower than this. Is it enough for me to trade? Still bearish? I don't like that we came all the way to -4. I'm gonna have to wait. The model's in the Discord for free. If you want the book on Power of 3, this Friday, 12 o'clock Eastern time. 12 o'clock, Ethan, you took any trades? No. I wanted the short. I knew damn well it wasn't going to give me a fill. Yeah, I mean, the thing about -4, reaching -4 standard deviations is a distribution end, right? I didn't want to see this as distribution if I'm going long. I want to see this as a reversal deviation, -2, -2.5, you know? But we'll see. I like how the hourly candle is starting to look. Rejection block, wick. It's not bad. You have a Discord link in your bio. The Discord link's in my bio. You're gonna have to copy paste it into the browser because TikTok doesn't allow like it doesn't allow you to go straight to it. Wouldn't take this fair value gap. Maybe if we inverse. The thing about taking any trade now is you'd have to break even so quick. You put the fib deviation on the last manipulation leg higher. Broker, I'm using Tradeovate on my fund of futures with, I know the end dog is there, bro. I don't like to mark all the end dogs. I'd rather to use just the PD raise, but you can definitely use it. How can I copy a mobile phone, not PC? You gotta hold the link and put it into a browser, brother. Or I can send you the link. I'll send it in Discord chat. I'll send it in the TikTok chat right now. Late for stream, what's good? We called the move lower. I didn't expect it to be this aggressive, but negative 2.5 is what I did expect. Obviously not even a little bit of a retracement, so I'm not gonna force this setup. I don't like setups like this because now the thing about taking a trade now, this is valid, but the thing about this is it's going up. And we both know that I'm sure everyone here can understand that. It can reverse here and take out the highs. It could also do this if you're wrong. It's easy to be wrong in this situation. I'm not saying it's 50-50. Obviously, look at the higher time frame. It's possible we reject from here. But why is the market going to go up? It's going to reach for inefficiency. Do I think it's going to run through? Am I really convinced on a bullish bias? I'm not that convinced. Not right now, at least. I know it's going to go up and reach for these inefficiencies, but am I really convinced it's going to be a bullish day? Maybe. It's possible. Just wait for more information if you don't know. How much does Top Step fund? You can do up to 750,000, I think. For those of you on TikTok, 200 people, all of you, listen very closely. Where's your DOL? Just waiting now. I have to wait. Not enough information for me. We predicted it coming here. I did favor a reversal at the beginning of the session. So if it does reverse, my eyes instantly go up to here. Marked out these lines already. And we'll see. Someone pinned a comment. What comment did you pin? You're not trading the meme coins? I actually own like 2 meme coins, but I don't know. I suck at it, bro. I suck at it. Someone's got to teach me. 950 macros coming. We could wait for a 10 a.m. power of 3. I favor 10 a.m. longs, but it's a really aggressive manipulation, you know? Your slash manipulation. I like that we're coming above -1. I like that -4 lines with that level. What's up, Amo? Yo, everyone, listen. If you're in TikTok, listen before I lock in on this next potential setup. I see the 5-minute, I see the 15 minutes forming as well. Yep, 10-minute just formed. I can't take this trade. It's too easy for this trade to be wrong. I'd rather just wait till 10 a.m. You know, either way, there was no retracement on any of these legs, so no trade for me. You want a real account? We're trading evals right now. Doing video all time, high profit there buying dip. It may reject from the breaker. It's possible. This is what is this? 10 minute. 10 minutes, nice. You got your 10-minute unicorn set up right now. That's your 10-minute breaker. It's not a bad short. 10-minute fair value. Maybe if we put in an SMT there. If we put in an SMT at these highs. How many evals? Right now we have 3 evals. I just got them. You could have targeted these fair value. Yeah, I don't like those trades. It could have stayed heavy, you know? It could have just come right here and then boom, dropped. You don't know how heavy it's going to stay. It already moved so aggressively. I feel like when you see a move like this isn't usually typical algorithmic delivery, you know? So coming into a fair value gap, it could easily just reject. It's not high probability trade. Yes, we're copy trading. Yes. You took the long? Nice, yeah, nice. Totally fine, Brian. New to ICT. How to start learning. 2022 mentorship on YouTube. Nope, no entry, no. You'll see if I take a trade, brother. I'd rather wait as well. Listen, I have data on my last 100 to 200 trades on the model that I'm using now. I'm gonna wait. Retracement sells. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. I would want to wait for a bullish fair value gap to get inversed. How many PAs do you have? Right now, we don't have any fundeds. Right now, we're working on 3 evals. Meme coins are a scam. It's pretty much a gamble. You doing paper trades? Eval. I don't know if that counts. Funded accounts. If both assets give a bearish fair value gap here, I like to enter on the 1 minute because I can see every 1 minute candle. But notice how I always do this. I'll always be scanning. I got you, Amo. I was profitable on paper. I got some funded accounts, saw some profits, and just kept going now. 2022 was good for everybody. I don't mind a bearish fair value gap here, but I don't like the risk to reward. Stop loss, we need to cover this. 953. Let's assume we got the bearish fair value. That's a 60-point stop loss? Damn. No bearish fair value gap anyways. Just wait. Just eating a bagel. We got 200 people in TikTok, 110 people on YouTube. Listen up. If you're on right now, TikTok chat's not trolly. If you're on TikTok, I encourage you guys to come over to YouTube chat. YouTube chat is more formal, less, I don't want to say silly questions, but like it's more serious. Everyone there is kind of more locked in. I can also send links, so I like that. Into the Discord, for example. So I encourage you guys on TikTok, come over to YouTube. YouTube chat, it's the exact same chat. What YouTube? My YouTube. I'm also live on YouTube. Everyone here seeing me live on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube. I try to encourage people to come over to YouTube because it's a little bit more serious. 2 minute BPR forming. We could short this. I don't like it at 954. I'd rather wait for 10. We could take the next candle's uptick. Put the stop at the 2 minute BPR. Not even good risk to reward. Like, I don't want to risk this trade for a 2R. Looks like we already missed it anyways. Don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the inversion for value gap there. Unicorn? Yep, we did tap the breaker. Actually, we fell short a little bit, but I'll just wait till 10. It'll be more clear at 10. It'll be more clear at 10. What does it mean when you say negative 2.5, negative 2? I got you. So negative 2 to 2.5 basically means, see this manipulation leg? This little price swing up? You want to deviate that move. So in this case, it deviated once, so double. And then, so like this move once, and then this move doubled. You're basically deviating a distribution leg with math, just simple maths. Deviating how many times is this leg gonna multiply? You want to see. Usually it'll multiply at least twice if it's a reversal deviation. Can we see your fib settings? I have a couple of fib settings. The one you're probably referring to is this one for reversal deviations. 1, 0, -1, -2, -2.5, -4. It looks like some people from TikTok came over to YouTube. What'd you learn off of? ICT. That was a fast one, yeah. That was a fast. We'll wait till 10. You just gotta understand the smart money narrative here. Not an easy one. Piyush, honestly, I'm gonna ask everyone and just see what people want. Nope, didn't cast that sell. Didn't cast that sell. I had a limit there. I knew damn well I wasn't gonna get filled. It's okay. Came from TikTok. Welcome, welcome. Everyone on TikTok right now, I encourage you, come over to the YouTube stream. Screenshot of the FIP settings. I got you. You know, I can send it to you on Discord if you want. I can. Will you buy or sell? Gotta wait. I'm waiting till 10. Right now, I'll have to wait. 10 will be more clear. 10 will be more clear. I'm just gonna wait till 10. I'm not even gonna try to say something now. 10 o'clock will be more clear. This move is predictable. In my opinion, this next move, not really predictable. I feel like I'm favoring shorts. 10 a.m. open high. I'll have to check after cold blood if you remind me. I recommend ICT. How long did it take you to pass your first fund? It took me about 3 weeks. After I learned everything, 3 weeks. 2-minute breaker? Yeah, we tapped in there. Yeah, we marked out to 15-minute. The 10-minute unicorn setup right there, really nice. I favored this happening at 10, but it happened right now. It's 50-50. To me, it's more like 60-40 for shorts. But I don't think there's a breaker is holding. I think we're taking the sell side here. But it could reverse at 10. How many funds did you blow or did you pass the first time? I think it was like I blew like 4 evals or 5 evals. Then I passed. Then I blew like 2 funded, and then I got payouts. Yeah, I don't wake up late cold blood. I like to get my sleep. I also don't need, but 10 a.m. open high. We're gonna see 10. This is why I'm saying it's 50-50. I feel like it's very possible 10 a.m. frames a reversal, and then we go one direction all the way through 10. It's also possible 10 a.m. goes up, bumps the high, puts in an SMT, and then dumps. I can see both of those playing out. I'd rather just wait based on this 15-minute candle. So the idea of 10 a.m. is you want to look at 9:30 to 10 and see the narrative. I prefer open low high too, but I don't think that's gonna happen. You gotta look at the narrative. 9:30 gives you the narrative for 10. Does it look like 10 a.m. is framing a reversal, or does it look like 10 a.m. is gonna continue, and this is it? I don't know. I don't know. We did reach your deviation level. I did say earlier that I liked yeah, oh, it was this low. Yeah, this low. Each tunnel G support level and Nasdaq is still 50 CE. It definitely could go higher. We'll just have to wait till 10. We tapped the rejection block there, so possible. I like the. I would prefer the SMT. I'm short targeted equal lows. Yeah, I feel like I don't know if this low is not strong for me. If you look at my book, we talk about protected highs and lows. This is not a protected high or low in my opinion. It's not a protected high or low. This one is until it reaches negative 2.5, but this one was. This one is not. Yep, a lot of uncertainty. It could be a very aggressive move. Could be a very aggressive move. Okay, so for the people asking about the book is dropping this Friday, 12 o'clock for free, not charging. Be there. We're going to host a Discord event. Come into the Discord. It's free. We're dropping the PO3 book. Basically, it's going to teach. The book's going to be in the Discord. It's going to be an event Friday at noon with funded accounts. I just recently got into my funded futures, but I've been using TopStep. I mean, it depends if it clears lows, right? We're just going to wait till 10. 10 a.m. just opened. Let's see. I'll be there, bro. Good, good, good. I hope. Do you trade news days? I trade news days, just not during the news. 10 a.m. could frame a reversal here. It's not the highest probability, but it could definitely frame a reversal. It's bearish order flow, you know? I definitely think lower first. Yeah, I see the low get taken. I don't know if this reversal is coming, guys. You know, can't wait for the book. It's gonna be really good. Trust me, guys. It's gonna be really good. You're gonna be able to predict market moves really well. These equal lows are good. Very surprised the daily candle flipped like that. Previous day low. Day opening gap. Wick CE. There's the reversal, huh? Yeah, interesting. Very interesting. This is why I didn't try to make any predictions after this leg, because it's not probable. Not that it's not probable, but where's all my like this was very predictable for me personally. Now it's not. We're below midnight open. London lows. We're almost there for London lows. If we don't take this low on ES, actually we can take that low. We can take that low. Why does it distribute to the wrong side? Daily and weekly should be bullish. I mean, on the higher time frame, I am bearish. Monthly power 3 says lower. And I thought it was going to be Wednesday high of week if lower. But then we woke up today, Thursday took. So I didn't expect it. But Thursday reversal is probable. But it also could reverse now, you know? We're at a very pivotal point. So I'm going to wait for as much information as I can get. Yep, you're right. We definitely were wrong about that. I didn't expect this deep of a move. We did call lower. Didn't expect this much lower. But obviously we got more information afterwards, you know? We called lower. You see a displacement of 280 points in approximately 5-10 minutes. You got to understand that it's a different market than it was before this move, you know? To complete, you have more information now. You still don't open? I got you baffled with what? No, no entry. No, I already marked it out as a raid. I mean, at this point, we've already almost tapped in. Like here, we almost tapped into the rejection block. So no, I don't think we get a reaction. PO3 DR low swap, shorted after tracing the premium factor DR low target again. It's really nice trade. Yeah, this wasn't a bad trade. This wasn't a bad trade. It's not a plus for me. I was still a little bit unclear for me, so I was waiting. How do I feel about people pumping meme coins? I mean, shit, bro. Make your money. Yeah, it's a very good trade, right? For me, it's not a plus. Only because, yeah, it's not a bad trade. The 2-minute BPR is nice. I didn't like the 3 here. Maybe this one confirmed it for sure. You could have taken it like this. Yeah, maybe we should have looked at that. Where's the mug from? My girl bought it for me. Cost 16 points. Yes, nice. How was trade today? No trades. Waiting for 10. Well, it's 10 now. See what we get. London low's probably coming. I don't know if I'll look for reversal yet. Unsymmetrical market. Is your girl taking long after sweeping London low? Connecting with the other two FG factor. Yes. Valid. 100% valid. Look at 30 seconds, see if your setup is there. No, the setup is here. This is super valid for me. No, I never use quarter levels. Oh, of a fair value gap? like quadrant levels. This setup is valid. No rule breaks if I took this trade. The only reason I didn't is because I was still skeptical that we get a higher high, and I didn't like the risk to reward. Because if we're gonna frame a trade off of this fair value gap, this isn't necessarily a protected high because it's not intermediate term. So for me, it just wasn't enough. It wasn't enough probability. If I was to take this, I'd have to put the stop loss here, and all of a sudden the risk reward is not as good if I take the 2-minute close. If I waited for the close, you could have waited for the retracement, but it's hard to say if you're gonna get it. You can wait for the 3-minute close. Man, the 3-minute inversion confirmed it. You could have taken it there, but yep, low of day taken. There it is. The raid, when I mark this raid level, that's London lows. Is your book ready? Book is completely ready. Power of 3, mastery. Yeah, I don't mind that too, Tarek. I don't mind that too. The SMT is there. ES takes out this sell side, but not the low. But do I think it's gonna hold? Just no. I don't know. To be honest, no. But it's possible. ES is more bullish for sure. So raid means the book's gonna be in my Discord. 12 o'clock. Please upload the book today. The book announcement is set in stone. It's 12 o'clock Friday. 12 o'clock Eastern time Friday. I'm doing an event in the Discord to raid the book. Raid means there was a run on liquidity. So raid slash SSL slash run on stops, whatever you want to call it. I just marked out London low this way. I use the word raid. That's how I like to do it. Nope, no trades, no trades. This was like a good trade, honestly. I didn't have that much conviction at the time, but obviously now looking back, really good trade. Just not having that much conviction, I'd rather wait. To be honest, I need to work on my executions, if I'm being honest. See if we get to London low on ES. If we can get a breaker here, yep, this is a good trade. How much time are you giving to ICT to learn? Oh man, that's a good question. Including backtesting or no? Are we talking just watching lectures, or are we talking including backtesting? For including backtesting, over 1,000 hours. Just watching lectures, yeah, very fast market. Where can I demo? You can demo on TradingView. That's where I did it. You have the sauce? Give me the sauce, bro. What is your session hour? I trade, I'm in Eastern time. You still bearish? I'm gonna see if we get a breaker here. I wouldn't look for a short now. I wouldn't look for a. I mean, if it's Thursday reversal, it will continue lower, but it wouldn't continue lower at this time. Like, at least give me a retracement to the OB. Like, I would short this. How much time? Brother, a lot of time. I don't know, over 100 hours for sure. I've watched almost every single ICT lecture, some of them multiple times. It's the same thing. Market structure, breaker structure. People just rename, rebrand the shit. Is it better to trade funded accounts or just to fund your own? I would just do funded accounts, unless you have a lot of money just waiting for you. Change of state of delivery here. If we get it clean, I'll look for a long. I need the change of state to confirm. What's paper trade? It's when you trade with like fake money to practice. To practice. Change of state will confirm. I don't enter off the order block, but it would confirm. The thing is, 5 minutes there. Still have open FEGs above. Yep, I marked out the bullish FEG here as well. This box is the bullish FEG with London lows. This is one of my favorite setups that I use to trade. Sweeping London lower high that's resting inside of a fair value gap. Such a nice setup, but the timing's off. I like the SMT though. See how it's slow. Love from India. Appreciate you, bro. Futures and options. Options move on thetas. Futures move on not thetas. Or Greek, sorry. This is NASDAQ futures. Notice the fail Failed to change in the state. No trades yet. This is a 15-minute fair value gap resting below London lows. But CIC is the formation of an order block. So your first sign of smart money reversal. See these down close candles that came into the raid. So if this is going to be a higher time frame wick, right? If this is going to be your wick, 10 a.m., you'd want to see it come above as reversal points. Reversal points, I use -2, -2.5. -4, use it as a distribution target. Zero narrative. This guy's a pattern trader. Big SMT. We do have a big SMT. Only guy on YouTube was replying. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I try to reply to everyone. We're getting more and more people here. Nope, doesn't matter. And in fact, there was a little bit part of it that remained open. So this part of it remained open, which I really like. 10 a.m. reversal. I mean, the least you can expect is price to come here, right? You can expect that at least. It could easily come here and reject. It's 50-50 right now, man. 50-50. I like the change of state of delivery. Where's your 10 a.m. open? I like this as a range deviation. We'd have to invert the 5. Like, I could just wait for the 5-minute invert. If it's going to reverse, ES already inverting. We can take this fair value gap, actually. We should take it on ES. ES already inverted the 5. It's a stronger asset. NASDAQ doesn't need to. No, I haven't placed a trade yet. Let's go to micros here. Is it going to give me an entry on the fair value gap? I like that. That's 2R. What would the risk be? 6 units. Let's see if we get there. I'll enter buying into this fair value gap if it comes. I like the displacement. I like the unicorn. It'll look something like this. ES is stronger. I'll take ES this time. My tilting made me into a scalper. I know the ones. That's actually relatable, believe it or not. Lack of retracement on these moves. You see downside? Not right now. 10 a.m. reversal looking stronger. I like the range deviation. There's not an easy way to get on this move. I'll have to wait for an OTE entry. I would have taken the fair value gap, but I can't take it all the way up here. If it retraces, it's too much drawdown, and it can easily retrace. Look where your OTE is, man. Not even close. If you did the most recent price leg, sure, you get 50% almost. But I always use the dealing range. Are you going to teach your book? The book, so this Friday, in the Discord, 12 o'clock, the book is dropping. We're not getting this retracement, are we? We could wait for the 5. The book is dropping this Friday, 12 o'clock Eastern time. Am I going to teach the book? It's up to you guys. If you guys want me to teach the book, I'll teach the book. Come through on Friday. We'll all talk on Discord together. Which book? The Power of Three book. Power of Three book, my GEMS model book. Power of Three, predicting market moves. The book is complete. You want to predict market moves, you need to understand Power of Three. Every single thing can be explained by Power of Three. That's why I like Power of Three. That's why the book's on Power of Three. That's why I spent hundreds of hours studying Power of Three. 12 a.m. or p.m. 12 p.m. So like noon. So in 2 hours, Friday. So in 26 hours from now. 26 hours from now. All right, see if we get a retracement leg here. It's all about ICT concepts. It's about, in my opinion, the most important ICT concept, and then we cover some other concepts as well. Okay, 5 minute. Rejecting there, but I don't really care. 2. And I need to get the OTE, yeah. We'll have to wait for an OTE entry. I'll do it off this leg because I think this one's, we're playing off the idea that this is a protected low, right? So we can use this leg. When did you start making trading content? What entry models can you do? I have like a lot of entry models. I'm waiting for a retracement back into the range, and I don't mind going long. It would be 6 micros on ES. If I go long, 6 micros on ES. I want this fair value gap, but we're waiting to see what we get, you know? Let's flip the chart here for you guys see. I want to be patient and get a good entry. I'd rather miss an entry trying to be precise than force a bad entry, you know? I'd rather, if I miss it because I'm trying to get a precise fill, that's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. You have your 3 minute there, 5 minutes forming. If we can just get the 5 minute to form a little bit deeper, I mean, we could even take the 5 minute inversion. Just wait, just wait. Not on not on NQ, no, but it has on ES, and I like the displacement. So we'll just wait. First gap with breakaway. Maybe. Look at 15 seconds on NQ. What am I looking at? The reversal there was nice. Yeah, it is very nice. No, it is for sure very nice. Yeah, he's just a chill guy. That's funny as fuck. Why, yes, ES is a lot more bullish in this case. So when there's a usually I don't switch over, but when there's a really big difference like this, I'm just gonna take the ES trade. Is that just 5 minute just tap in? Nope, almost at the 5 minute. Trying to pick the bottom here. We gotta stop being like scared. A lot of the time I predict the move, right? And I just hesitate a little. At this point, like I need to work on just clicking the button, you know, like who cares if you lose or win. Why are we bearish today? Currently I'm looking for a long. Hourly candle, silver bullet idea right here. That's your 5 minute fair value gap. So we have to keep in mind the only move lower I'm expecting is at least this low. Could even just take the 5. It's not a good entry in terms of fill. I'd have to risk 4 contracts, 5 contracts. I'd rather buy it coming down. Yeah, that's why I'm not putting a limit and I want to do a market order. I'd rather buy it when it's coming down. Is it really not going to tap into the 5? That's going to form as an order block. Wow. The 50-minute bearish is formed now too. So, like, I was hoping to break even at this bearish fair value gap. If we get there now, we're just missing a lot of entries here. But we can't let it get to us. Can't let it get to us. But we'll mark out the 15 there. I like this consolidation right now because see a reversal. A potential time distortion setup here. And then we form the intermediate term low. That would be nice. It would be really nice to sweep this low and move higher. If we get this intermediate term low, that'd be really nice. It'd be nice because how do you define intermediate term low? Fair value gap, obviously correct narrative, and then 2 short-term lows higher. What's up, Yush? That's how you define intermediate term low. So if we were to do this, if we were to put a swing low right here, like a higher low, nope, haven't taken one yet. We're looking to take this. NASDAQ going lower. Interesting. Okay. You shorted the top but didn't take profit yet? I would take profit right there. If it was me. That's what I would do. But you do you. All right. Nice. Strong candle. We can probably take the inversion out of this. You filled? Nice. This is what I wanted to do, a market order. Take the damn long, son. I'll take it when I feel like taking it. All right? All right, buddy. Let's play it off the 5 here. ES shouldn't be trading this low. It's stronger. Full gap closure on the 5. Don't do market orders. Do a spread. I like to do market orders. Why are you not long? I don't enter off fair value gaps like this with a limit order. Never. I don't put limit orders on fair value gaps like this. It's easy to be wrong. That's why. And it looks like it is wrong right now. So we didn't even tap into the 15. Super manipulative market, in my opinion. A good thing we didn't put the limit order. I made a rule. Did you long or short? None. Why are you not long? I don't take setups like this. I don't like to put limit orders like this. What do you mean like that? So when I say, like, for example, I'll tell you why. This case, let's say the next candle forms fair value gap. I'll put a limit order here, right? I'll do this, no problem. Because I want to see it offer fair value. I want to see it come down here only to offer fair value and then move higher. When it doesn't do that, I instantly become, one, skeptical, because so where is it going then? If it's not going to offer fair value to distribute positions, where is it going? There's a small imbalance here, rejected. Fine. Doesn't mean the narrative's dead. It doesn't mean the narrative's dead, but I'm not going to leave my limit order here. Because now, what's your entry then? I wait for a market order leaving or then another confirmation, which is why I said I'll take the inversion. Which I still will. I still will take the inversion. The reason I wait is because you could miss the move, but it's unlikely. The reason I like to wait in setups like this where it leaves the fair value gap is because it's very easy to make, like, you're opening yourself up to a potential mistake, which is fine. It's fine to make mistakes. I just personally have lost a lot of trades leaving limit order like this. So what do I do to negate that? I just wait. Just wait. You know? If it started to displace up, I'll take the trade. Fine. Couple slippage. Look at this candle. All I did was wait a little bit. That's not the candle you want to be seeing. We didn't even close below the high. We wicked. So it's easy to play the mistake. It's easy to make a mistake when you leave a limit order like that. You know? Because there's a lot of things you have to consider. Is this limit order going to hold? Where's the stop loss? Is this truly a protected low? Initially, I thought so. But Appreciate you, Roy Rogers. Appreciate you. I know a lot about Power of 3, that's for sure. If we get the inversion here, yeah, this market's tough. It's a tough market. It's a tough market. I would have wanted to see the 15 get tapped in. It's looking like a second stage delivery. Yeah, like I said, it's looking like a second stage delivery now. It's looking like a second stage delivery. And I would take this fair value gap. In fact, we should have taken this fair value gap, but the risk reward is not good. Is PA bad? Always this bad? I wouldn't say this is too bad. It's difficult. The closer and closer you get to holidays, the more and more difficult it is. What's this? Oh, London lows on ES. Yeah, it looks like London will take ES as well. Yeah, it's going to distribute all the way to 11 probably. What are you waiting for? I was going to wait for a retracement here, but again, every setup we wanted didn't have a retracement. Difficult. What I wanted to see was this fair value gap. I marked out this fair value gap. I wanted to see it get tapped in. And lost 2 wins, probably done for the day. Great detail on the FEG explanation. Appreciate you. How old are you? I'm 21, brother. Boom, fractal DR low swap, model 1 or 2 from here, heading out for today. Do you think it's generating buy side? It is possible it's generating buy side, but man, order flow is so bearish. Order flow is very bearish. It's never going to be high probability if you're fighting very heavy order flow. It's definitely generating buy side, but do I think it's going to run on it right now? Maybe in lunch, maybe 10:50. It's good, Elliot. You got stopped out? Yeah. It's okay, bro. So what? Who cares? Every PD rate is getting run through. Every bearish PD rate is not getting retracement. I wanted to see this high get taken because it's a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, but it didn't. You blew your account? That's okay, bro. Wait, what do you mean, Trevor? London lows taken on NQ, but not ES. London lows for ES. That's why I drew this blue line. I feel you, Elliot. Break even for you. Good shit, Tarek. This is a deep retracement, man. This is a deep retracement for me. Too deep. If it's bearish, it shouldn't be this deep. Especially when the 50-minute fair value gap's right there. Can I sell? You can. I think it's going to come here. But I can't tell you if it's going to go against you first. But I do think the blue line's going to get hit. What should I do after finishing core content? 2022. Blew my PA. Damn. That's okay, bro. Who cares? You trade on Fridays? Yeah. Friday's okay. We'll wait for 10:50. 10:30. 10:30 could dump. What do you think about your USC? ICT says thirds are usually bearish. He said that? No, I'll wait for an entry. We're going to have to wait for a narrative to form now. Tomorrow's news? What's tomorrow? Oh, PMI? Yeah, no, I love trading PMI. What is your strategy? I've seen multiple entries. There are definitely a lot of entries here. What's my strategy? It's very precise. This is a valid entry for me right here. This setup, I didn't take it. I wasn't as convinced at the time. And this short would have been valid. I would have sold it coming into this fair value gap, but it didn't even come in. So, I mean, we got the one tick there, but I was gonna wait. We didn't even get the tick, so Thank you. What about NQ? SMI drawn liquidity for NQ. Originally, I thought I was bullish, so daily bias was wrong. But to be fair, we did call out the move lower, and then after that, we said I don't think it's going to go higher. It could have reversed here. We waited to see. Didn't trust this. So I think we did good today so far. I think we did good. Explain London low. London low is just the low of a time. This is the time window, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's your London low. This is your previous day low. I think we can get there. Maybe a retracement from previous day low. Yeah, we missed some setups, but difficult market. What time is Sesa Asia open? It's 22:00. Up 400 thanks to you? No problem, bro. Take another long. I didn't take any long, bro. For beginners, switch to ICT. For more complex, but understanding TD market, TDRs. You like your shot waiting for a clean entry? Yeah, man. I like waiting for. It's something I'm trying to implement, you know. But you know, it's definitely still one of my struggles. I'm pretty good at predicting price. I'd say better than pretty good. But I need to work on executing what you're trying to enter off of. Right now, I'm just waiting for more information to get narrative for 1050 macro and 11 to 12. Tips on passing my funded. Risk management will carry you, brother. I feel you, Trevor. Use 1010. Oh, you took it here? This is risky, in my opinion. Risky. I don't like these kind of setups. This is your 5-minute. Order block. That's why I didn't take them. That's why I didn't take the inversion. Oh my god, are we gonna get our first short? Mahmood, both of them, brother. How much are risk on a 50K account? Funded or EVA? Funded, I risk 150 per trade. That's my new magic number. The bagel must be huge. I'm actually eating a muffin right now, so that was I switched out the 50K eval. I do 300 because I'm trying to just speed up twice as fast. And the funded account, I do 150. Keep in mind, I take 2 trades a day, so 150 might be low for some of you. But do you hard time frame analysis? Of course, brother. Of course. Yep, unicorn model is one of my entry models. You have your unicorn here, high, low, higher, high, lower. That's your breaker. That's why I marked out this range. That's why I said we can potentially get a setup here. It's clean on the 2 minutes, probably the cleanest one actually. So we're waiting. How I manage consistency rule? I would have a fixed risk and a fixed take profit. Take 2 profit at 2R every time maybe, or something like that. All right, we might actually get our first trade. Yeah, I think 500. For me, it's a lot. I'll tell you why it's a lot for me is because if I like this fair value gap, I need to see if it wicks higher though. We can short this 3-minute, but I need to see I need to see how high it's gonna trade back. You know, if we get a bullish fair value gap, that'd be good. I go for my win rate on average. Just sell dog. I can't just sell dog because stop loss placement doesn't make sense. I can't just sell now. Where am I gonna put the place that invalidates my trade is like here. I'm not gonna sell now and put my stop loss there. A terrible trade. A terrible trade. You could even trade up into there realistically. We did tap the breaker there. actually. If anything, we long this to, like, you could literally long this to the breaker and then short it, which is interesting. I like those kind of plays, but I only do them when I'm scalping. Appreciate the 1 rose, William Bishop. Really appreciate that, bro. You're in longs? I would target no more than 50% personally. But if you think reversal, good luck. Good luck, brother. What's the reason for the short? I think price is going to go previous day low. Very bearish order flow. Reversal's already framed. And then looking for a second stage entry here. Is it mitigation at M5? Yeah, it is. High, low. This is your breaker. No. Sorry, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. This is your mitigation. It's technically all these candles, which is why I'm just bringing it down to the breaker on the 2. This is not easy. We did tap into the 3, just barely. I guess that's enough. If we get the order block, I'll take the order block. I'll take the order block. Fuck it, we'll take the order block. Are you serious? We didn't get filled? It's funny. I'm gonna give this a 5-er. Did I misplace my order? Nope, it was just 1 tick below. Well, we'll see. I'm not gonna move it. We have a fair value gap there now anyway, so still valid. All right, we're in. Let's see. Let's see. We took a trade, and I'm gonna live with the idea. If we get another leg higher, I'll probably just go short again, to be honest. 1030 candle should distribute lower, which is why I like this trade as well. But we'll see. This is your 1030 open. Just tapped into the fair value gap. Yeah, I like this. Institutional order flow entry deal. Yeah, this looks really good, if I'm being honest with you guys. But we'll see. We'll see. Never get too entitled. Otherwise, you get upset when you lose. 1030, power of 3, range deviation. I like this. Short? Yes, short. You need live data. The prop firm will give you live data. I'd want to see a move below 1030 now. It should be aggressive. It's already pretty slow. TP is previous day low. We might aim for a little bit lower. We'll see. Or just take the 2R and let it go. It shouldn't be trading into this. It shouldn't be trading into this. It's not invalidated yet, but it shouldn't be trading into that. What does rhythmic account mean? I think that means... Actually, I have no idea, bro. I'd ask ChatGPT. Do we have entered in a distortion? How much you up? This is first trade of the day. I have a trading view subscription. Yeah, I have the basic one, the essential. Nice. You got the shorts in the morning? Nice, brother. The only thing you can control now is if you follow your rules. Everything else is out of my control. So let's just see what happens. Stay calm. Took NQ because it was more bearish. And yeah, let's see. The only thing you can control is whether or not you follow your rules. We followed the rules. 1030 PO3. I want to see movement below 1030. Movement below 1030. 1030 is actually an hourly candle on regular trading hours. So notice if you come to RTH, go to the hourly, you'll see this is what 1030 looks like. So we're looking for this candle to flip bearish. Not a good reaction, but we did tap the order block. So let's see. This order block mean threshold level is what we're framing our trade off of, or our entry off of. But we took the fair value gap. Looks like a stop out here. Shouldn't be even coming near this high. We'll let it go though. We'll let it stay. We tapped the rejection block there, so it should reject 50%. You stream on other platforms. I stream on TikTok and YouTube same time. TikTok and YouTube same time. This looks like a stop out. Looks like a quick stop out. We'll look for one more. We might get an SMT here, so I'm gonna raise stop a little bit to the swing high, which is where it should be anyways. But we'll see if it puts in the SMT for us. No SMT. Instant stop out there. We'll look for one more trade. That's okay. That is okay. Where are we going up to? The 5-minute too. It could just be a soup. If we get the inversion here, I'll go short one more time. How much you up today? We're down. We're down 400 on that trade. So we'll have to risk a little bit less on the second trade. Takes a lot of confidence to trade live. For some reason, is this demo or live? This is eval. I'm on evals right now. Damn, trading lower after that massive expansion. Yeah, totally fine. I still think it'll go lower. Still think it'll go lower. Where are we going up to? There's a 5-minute up there. There's a 3-minute. We just souped. Yeah, I would wait for this inversion. I'll wait for this inversion. How much percentage do you risk? Eval meaning? What's eval? What's eval? It's like a Top Step challenge account. It shouldn't go to that 5-minute. You're right. It shouldn't go into that 5-minute, but it can and still be valid. It can and still be valid. Looks like we got souped. 1045. I mean, we're gonna get to the 5 on ES. Maybe. We'll wait and see. Yeah, I think it's still going lower. So we'll wait and look for a re-entry. Wait and look for a re-entry. The 10 a.m. PO3, 10:30 PO3 idea was really good there. I'm surprised we didn't flip. But I can understand a run to minor sell side. I can understand a run to minor buy side. I can understand that. Like it makes sense. So how much you risk per day? 600 on the evals. How do you enter inside between trading? When you did on it? Is winter arc ever going up? Maybe, bro. I don't know, bro. If there's hype, sure. Why not? Generating more buy side? Maybe. I was aiming for 2R exactly, Piyush, on that one. Exactly 2R. So what I was gonna do was as soon as we hit TP, which was somewhere here, I'm gonna extend to 2R, break even, just to secure the risk reward. How much percent is that? How much percent on the 50K? Like under one. First for evaluations. So like around 1% per day max. For evaluation accounts. For challenge accounts, prop firm challenge accounts. How did you get your streaming key? Please help a brother out. You gotta like stream a bunch, bro. These are indices. Yep, these are indices. I guess we're going to the 5-minute. We'll wait for the 5-minute and then 1050 macro short. It'll be a better trade anyways. 1030 PO3 failed. We can still play the 11 a.m. And then 1030 TO3 is still valid. We can still get below 1030. We'll take the macro. I'd be really surprised if we don't tap into the 5. I mean, obviously the 5 minutes your better entry. Didn't think we were gonna get there, but I still think lower. Still think lower for sure. For sure. It will be going green again. What's going green again? Market moves in 3. It's all fractal though. On the hourly, it's only one move. 4 hour daily. That's why I don't like that. This is a valid silver bullet setup. Let's see if it plays out. What made you switch from longs to shorts? I was looking for longs from here, but it's the order flow. As soon as I saw this is too strong. This order flow is too bearish. Shallow retracement, very strong order flow. Possible reversal here, but why try and predict it? Just wait to see if it plays. Didn't play. We got the retracement, like we said. Didn't play. You can still go long? No, I'm looking for shorts, brother. I'll take this inversion. You believe shorts are done? I think we can get previous day low. We took one loss today. We're gonna look for one more. Bro said, please take a long. What did I say, bro? 560? I don't know what you're saying. Leaving that one open, huh? The issue about shorting this is stop loss placement. Like trying to predict the high here. There's no leg here either. To frame a reversal deviation. So it's not easy to choose a predicted high or low. Yeah, I'm waiting as well. Place above the BPR? You could, but the risk reward is not good. Too high then. Did you come in? Or come in where, bro? This guy saying. You didn't short at 930? No. We didn't get filled. How do you calculate CBDR and NQ and Forex and using pips? Using pips? Yo, what do you mean AO? What do you mean AO? Why is everyone saying AO? Did you come in? Come in where, bro? Why is everyone saying that? What's going on? CBDR is a time range, brother. Standard deviate time range. It works a lot better in Forex. Asia session, a lot of the time, Asia just expands. You took a trade today, took one loss right here. Executions are right here. We're in, and we're out. Could have broke even here. Give a chance to the order block. It shouldn't be taking long. This gives the institutional order flow entry drill. As soon as you see that, stop loss there should not come higher in a good trade. We could have micromanaged like that, but who cares? Staircasing down. 1050 macro is here. See if we can get a trade in the macro. Timing a high here. When I bought, we went lower. When I sold, I feel you, Trevor. I feel you, brother. We'll figure it out, bro. It's okay. If this stays open, that'd be pretty good. I think it's going to. Maybe. NQ's weaker, so maybe. Hey, maybe if we get a closure below this, we'll try another short. Stop loss there, though. It's not a good short. You could easily soup that high and then dump. Easily, it could just souped out. That's why I like to wait for a breaker sometimes in situations like this. Stop loss would have to be here. But I prefer a soup first. I prefer to see a soup or a bearish fair value gap. Let's look at the 15 second. If we get a breaker on the 15 second, I'll short the 15-second breaker, to be honest. I think price can shift bullish. Right here. Executions are right here. 4K today, trailing all morning. Nice, nice. Crazy market. It is crazy market. Thank God I didn't enter for real. If we get a breaker here, I'll go short on the 15 second. Let me quickly calculate my risk. What level is this? 2618. Okay, let's just say 2616. What am I doing? A 5 micro. All right, 15-second breaker, OTT, PDCT entry model. I'll take it if it forms. Change the state of delivery on the 15-second. Take loss, stop profit. That's good. That's a good one. Waiting for the 15-second. One more candle. If it closes bearish. Yeah, doesn't look like it. We wait. I entered off a 5-minute. We came up here, tapped this fair value gap, dumped. I took this fill. Off the OB. So reclaim bearish fair value gap, OB. We didn't get the break here. We're just consolidating now. No problem. We wait for power of 3. No problem. No problem. Just wait. Just wait. It's consolidating. It's accumulating. More shorts, in my opinion. Time distortion. What are we waiting for? 11. A bearish fair value gap. Bullish or bearish? What is PO3? PO3 is every single market move. Waiting for more information. Waiting for more information. What are you trading? Micro Nasdaq. We'll invalidate the close. Yeah, if we close above 500 BPR. Looks like we will. The fact we bottom on a failure swing is pretty insane, but I guess it's possible. Wow, difficult market. Yeah, difficult market. If we don't go down here, then I'm going to give myself an L for the daily bias counter chart. That's Can you answer me? What's your question, brother? You check here, you see I have one question to get on your receipt targeting previously low London session, but reverse from there before tapping the previously low. Look for an SMT there. That's my first question to you. You said it reversed before tapping previous day low. What? Oh, it's weak. I took a sell on your USD targeting previous day low in London session, but reverse from there before tapping. You took the sell here. It didn't reach previous day low. It reached the rejection block. Oh no, it didn't even reach the rejection block. Well, there you go, brother. You got played. It put in relative equal lows, and then it's probably gonna dump there now. Why did it reverse? To engineer liquidity, brother. To engineer liquidity. Take care, Amo. Looking for the book tomorrow. I'll see you on Friday at noon, brother. How do you see P&L on TradingView once closed? You have to scroll up like this and see account summary, and then it'll show you P&L. 785. I mean, I wouldn't long this. Are we really flipping the hourly here? Wow. Flipping the hourly? 15-minute change in the state? Intraday? That's pretty rare. 15-minute bearish? It's a difficult market, in my opinion. Difficult market. It must be the news coming out with all the war shit. Makes it very, very volatile, which the volatile part is fine. Flipping an hourly candle at this time is rare. I backtested this actually in 2023, and it only occurred about like 2.5% of the time or something. Flipping the hourly candle after 10:30. Use Top Step? Yes, Top Step. I bought my account today and blew it. Well, time to get another one. That's okay. Don't be weird, bro. Don't be saying weird shit in my chat. What happened after it was flipped? What do you mean? Like I'm talking like 10:30 reversal. It's rare. It's rare. Sorry, but last 2 days were a disappointment. Signing off. What do you mean? I mean I disappointed you, or did the markets disappointed you? What I say? I'm getting frustrated with ICT concepts. Also, you said your bias was correct, but just completely reverse your idea. Maybe ICT is nonsense. But you're not going to be right every time, you know? We called out this move. Let's recap what happened. We said we were going to retrace. It was a lot more aggressive than expected. A lot more aggressive than expected. So once we saw this aggression, to move lower, you have to be skeptical here that it might not reverse. You know? It might not be a reversal anymore. This is very bearish order flow. You have new information now. Very aggressive displacement lower, right? That's new information. We didn't have that information coming into market. Then we got to move up. We said this is a retracement. Came down, took sell side. It could reverse here. It's possible. We said it's possible it reverses here. 10 a.m. reversal. It happens. The narrative makes sense. To me, it was more 50-50. It was 50-50. We pumped up. This was, like I said, possible reversal. I didn't put a limit here because it's not, the reversal hasn't confirmed. Reverse your trade in one. Good shit, Edison. Reversal wasn't confirmed at this point. Then we dump, which we called out. No re-entry on the fair value gap there. A lot of inefficiencies leaving open. A lot of inefficiencies being left open. And then here we tried to catch 10:30 PO3 distribution, but looks like we're gonna flip the entire hourly candle now. Pretty rare. That's pretty rare. It's a probability. In my backtest, I found that only happens 5% of the time. So it's rare that this happened. I really like this trade. I would take it again. PO3 distribution. It aligns perfectly with the narrative. It reversed. The entire hourly candle reversed. That's a hard prediction. So this is the one thing we were wrong about. Crazy, huh? We went short. It went up 177 points. Kind of funny. Same as yesterday's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. reversal, common. 10:30, uncommon. It's uncommon. At least in 2023 it was. I love your ebook and all the stuff you put on the internet. I got you, bro. Yeah, I think that's a lot of risk. How much do you have funding in total? Right now, we don't have any funded. We're trading evals only right now. Evals only right now. Did we tap the 15? 15 reversal, lunch continuation. It's not the best setup. Not especially after the. It's a difficult market. Yeah, difficult market. You analyze very good, but one thing I stopped doing, never buying premium or short discount. That's a good rule to follow. But when you understand market maker sell and buy models, you can understand when to buy premium and sell discount. What are evals? Challenge accounts for prop firms. Good shit, Muffin Ninja. 11 a.m. reversal, unlikely. For evals, Jacob? Yeah, I do. Of course, for eval. It makes sense on evals to do that. We might come back in the PM. My man, what did I tell you? I don't know, bro. I don't remember. We are not reversing to the downside. Peter raise will make you miss trades because you're in discount or premium. To go long? Well, good job. Where are you looking to entry? Good question. I'm looking for displacement from this 15-minute fair value gap. If it forms, you can potentially confirm the idea. But that's a strong move. Just playing the range at this point. GG's chat, you about to hit the trade? Good shit, bro. How long do you trade for? Usually I stop around 11:30, like my max. More talking, no trading. Take action. Yes, you're right. In trading, the more trades you take, the better. The more, the merrier. You're right. You're very right. This is trading, bro. A lot of waiting. A lot of waiting. What books drop Friday? PO3 book, predicting market moves. Daily bias, at this point, unclear. I'm not even going to try and predict the daily candle. Look at it. Falling short of previous day low like that, it's uncommon. It does happen. It's uncommon. We didn't even take previous day low. Did you take profits today? No profits today, brother. We did leave relative equal lows, which I like, but I think we're going to go there. Maybe during lunch, 15-minute OTE. You only take one trade a week? That's okay. That's good, bro. That works for you? Proud of you. Proud of you. Could look for a reversal here, but I don't know if it's going to come. Took out the buy side. Cleaner on ES, if I'm being honest. So ES at least has the 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see. We are now reversing, fam. Read your book last night. Nothing but gems in there, brother. Appreciate you, Jared. The book on Friday will be a lot better. Amir, I swear. Let's just end like the charts. Huh? Proud of you, Cookie. It's going to be okay, brother. You see retracement then higher? Maybe. We're just going to wait and see. You took a trade. You took one loss, Tarek. We took a short here, 10:30 power of 3 idea. It failed. The entire hourly candle reversed. Even on regular trading hours, the hourly candle, look how fucking bullish it went. Very bullish. Very bullish. Hourly candle. What could we have done here? I mean, you wouldn't even get a move below 10:30. So, yeah, it's pretty rare. This is rare. This is rare. This reversal here is rare. It's rare, but it happens. Yeah, trading is mostly waiting. You're right. I 100% agree. This is a rare setup. No deviation from 10:30 power of 3. That's your 10:30 low on regular trading hours. This is rare. This is rare. This definitely is rare. For it to reverse without taking this low is rare. Nope. Brother, I know you don't have the data on this, so why are you arguing with me, bro? Gatie, you helped us with your analysis. Cookie patience, pay. Very tough day. A lot of trade setups, but you have to be right. P is weird recently. Yeah, for me, the other days were pretty clear, but today was difficult. You entered a trade just cause? Let me know. I'll do the opposite. Usually those, what a weird day. Had TP at lows, about to get stop break even. Yeah, previous day low. Yeah, we fell short. We put in relative equal lows. Ops on meme coins, we need those. And look when the chemicals is after it. That's ICT's actually. Look at the doji. Which doji? I agree with you, Max. Took a loss today. Yep, we shorted 10:30 power of 3. The entire candle reversed on us. You should trade Diddy. The daily candle is a doji. Yes. Daily candle is doji. Yes. I'm done with meme coins. I turned 50 to 5,000, then lost it all in one day. That hurts. Yeah, that hurts. Chris Laurie. Feel you took a loss today. It's okay, bro. Just a loss. Yeah, I wouldn't favor this 15-minute holding. Because we got the 15-minute paragraph 3 already happened. This is looking like a seek and destroy right now, brother, if I'm being honest. You missed like 5 moves, bro. Sure, sure. At 50%, it doesn't reverse. It is long. That's not a bad mindset to go through. Weren't you in a premium on the hourly? Right now? Yes. Why Nasdaq so easy? I don't know what that means. Go check Top Step announcement. What's their announcement? Show me your profits. I quit my job and start doing what you're doing. I don't care if you do what I do, bro. What the fuck you talking about? This guy said I'll quit everything. Just prove to me. Think I care, bro? You think it's better to grow fundeds to get bigger payouts or consistently get smaller payouts? I like the consistency better, you know? Yo, someone ban this guy, bro. This guy's cringe, bro. Ban this guy. This is not Wolf of Wall Street, gang. Was it meant to be disrespectful? No, I know. But I'm just here showing my journey, brother. You do what you do. You do what you want to do, bro. I'm not here to. I don't got a course. I don't have a mentorship. I drop books for free on information that I gather from thousands of hours, and that's it. Take your own. No crazy moves. We took one loss today, Chris. We took a short 10:30 PO3. It failed. We reversed the entire hourly candle. It happens. It's rare. I will take that trade again. Where do you get the book? The book's in my Discord for free. It's all yours. The last book on PO3 is dropping. It's dropping at 12 o'clock at noon on stage. I recommend you join the Discord. Be there for the book drop. It's gonna be a good book. I promise you. I promise you. Every single person here can learn something. Is there a negative 7.5 to 8 standard deviation? There is. It's rare. That's a really large expansion move. You know, usually your expansion moves don't go past -4, -5. It can though. Each standard deviation is just the next deviation, so it could go to -20, bro. I'm sure, like, if you look, you'll find some crazy expansions. I mean, I can't really short this. It's too risky. Do you stream all your trades? Every trade, bro. I thought you might have laughed over the comment. Don't want to be banned, bro. Please. Huh? No, you good, bro. You good. No, I'm not mad. I'm not banning you. No crazy moves I'm missing. I don't think there's much happening. We're at equilibrium. Yeah, we're in a premium. The hourly fair value gap tapped in. Order flow was bearish. Then we had this wick. It's not really clean. It's not really clean. There's a breaker in there. It's hard to take this short. It's hard to take this short, you know? There's a nice 5-minute there. 2, 3. Nice 4-minute in there as well. Maybe if there was an SMT, how don't you get tilted? I know what I'm looking. I'm like, I know so in depth. I like that fair value gap. Never mind, it's fully rebalanced. I know exactly what I'm looking for. It doesn't really make a difference when people say stuff. Doesn't really make a difference. gonna go up? Maybe. I'm not even gonna try and predict it. Maybe if we inverse the 4. It's seek and destroy condition, that's for sure. Asia taken by both London and Asia highs and lows taken both by London. London highs and lows both taken by New York. That's good that you're confident. I'm confident, bro. Yep, confident. Why do you always trade after 11:10? Why do I always trade? I pretty much rarely enter a trade after 11:10. I only think I've ever entered one trade after 11:10. Trade recap. We tried a 10:30 power of 3 playing off a 5-minute Sibi. Here, we got the nice reaction. We got the wick. Took the fair value gap. Right, leaving the range. Stop loss at the order block high. We got stopped out. Not much. Nothing crazy. Lower or higher? I wouldn't even try to predict. If we inverse, lower. If we don't inverse, higher. Relative equal highs are there. It is an SMT though. We have SMT inside of an hourly fair value gap, but the timing is off. I favor lower, to be honest. I favor lower still. I like the relative equal lows they left here. You ever trade Forex? Yeah, I do trade Forex actually. Sometimes I swing trade Forex. Ping game distribution is coming. It'll probably be one directional once 11:30 comes. 11:30 to 12:30. How do you be warning if candle close on open past any percentage the price will continue? I haven't found any consistency with that, brother. Is ICT dropping his book? Supposedly. Distribution at 11:30 maybe. 11:30 distribution maybe. I kind of just look for setups that are swing trades. If nothing by Wednesday, usually I'm not in a trade then Ray. Can you explain the primary models? There's so many models. 2022 model, this is no market structure shift. No, I trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I look for the swing there. And then if we can start to respect some bearish order flow here, it'd be nice, but doesn't look like it, you know? Just wait. Santa rally? Possible. Very possible. Because I swing trade Forex. I hold for a couple days. What's a good broker to start out with trading futures? I would use prop firms, brother. But if you have a lot of money, you want to get a live account, I would use Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, and futures. Yeah, but I want to hold it through those days, Ray, if that makes sense, you know? Enter on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Hold it for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday close sometimes, depending on the trade. Why did you lose? It's wrong narrative. Wrong narrative. I thought 10:30 power 3 was going to distribute lower to previous day low. We didn't take previous day low. We put in relative equal lows. That's okay. You know? I thought 10:30 was going to distribute lower. 10:30 reversed and went higher. It's pretty rare, you know? It's rare. 5% of the chance. 5% that 10:30 opens like this with bearish order flow and forms a low of the session. It's rare. It's very rare, you know? But it happened. It is what it is. You got to come back, AZ. You got to come back. You're reusing QT? No. No. Not even close. Power of 3. That QT shit, in my opinion, is BS. The comeback is long, man. I'm full porting. Okay. Full port? Maybe. Might work. Is prop firms the route to be a funded trader? Yes. I take a breaker here? Would I take this? It's so choppy now, though. We didn't take out range high. No clean deviation. There's no power 3. I'd be breaking a rule if I took a trade now. I gotta wait till 11:30. So why 10:30 then, bro? 10:30 is power of 3. Why is everyone acting like 10:30 is some random quarter or some shit? 10:30 is power of 3 open for 10:30 to 11:30 candle on regular trading hours. Hourly candle 10:30 open. It's also a 30-minute candle open. And prime distribution time for the previous hourly candle. I'm just using hourly candles. That's it. Nothing about quarterly theory. Your next trade has my full port backing it up, bro. Bro, let's everyone sell same time, bro. Market's mad choppy. It's definitely seek and destroy condition. If we get a clean market structure shift here, it could be a fake move. It really could be a whole 15-minute bullish fair value. Yeah, I'd probably go long here, not short. I would love to see a fake short here, 11:30 distribute higher. Because remember, hourly candle is still bullish just on 10:30 to 11:30. Quarterly theory is OP. If it works for you, man, I'm proud of you. Appreciate you, Ray. We're here every day, bro. Here every day. Power of 3 is everything, man. You need to understand which candle is distributing. Right now, 10:30 to 11:30 candle is distributing. Does it make sense to reverse right now? Right? Does it make sense to? It could reverse at 11:30. 11:30 could be the distribution of this hourly candle that framed the reversal. Possible. Wait till 11:30. I'll wait for 11:30 last setup. We'll give it a chance. Because I need to get these evals going. We didn't take many trades. I don't want to be holding evals for a month. So we need to start looking for some setups. Even if we take some B setups, that's okay. Go long in crude. Is crude giving any setup? I would need. I can't long this. What is eval? Eval is a funded account challenge. There's your 15-minute. Wait till 11:30. Look for PO3. That's the plan. We'll wait till 12. So we'll be here. Odd USD. Oh man, all this range trading, no previous day low or high. Where's the weekly going? Immediate rebalance. Relative equal lows. Sell side taken. Monday, April 22. I said look for short. 4 hour looks pretty bearish. 4 hour CSD is coming. These relative equal lows look good actually. I like those relative equal lows. Whoa. Well, we were right about that. That's crazy. No new previous setups. Add to your entries. I have a lot of entry models. It's about executing them. Look at crude. Appreciate you, V1. Yeah, crude might pump. It's not for me though. I mean, like relative equal highs look good, but it's not my setup. Inverse 5-minute, we short? I don't think so, bro. I think long. I'll wait for 11:30 power of 3 though. understand the 930 candle power of 3. This is your 930 candle right now. Regular trading hours. Is this going to inverse? It looks like it. What? How is this possible? Look at the difference between ES and NQ 930 candles. Oh, never mind. ES is not regular trading hours. I was going to sit. Wait, it's still weird. Look at this. NQ's 4-hour candle is bearish. NQ's 4-hour candle is bullish. Look at the hourly candles. Yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Morgan Stanley price action is always difficult to trade 11, 12 months. Yeah, it always is. Month 11, 12. What site? TradingView. Whack on some tunes. I'm not allowed. I'm on live YouTube as well. So I definitely think we can come here, but this is evals. Where are you from? Toronto. For every single person listening on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube. If you prefer YouTube, I encourage people to go to YouTube because that's where all my more serious people are. This Friday, we're dropping a book on Power of 3, predicting market moves. Predicting market moves. Power of 3 book. It drops this Friday. If you want to join the Discord, be there for the stage. It's going to be a pretty big Discord event. The book's free. Discord's free. Not charging nothing. Be there. Give me the opportunity to teach you what I know about Power of 3. You're going to like it. It's going to be good. It's going to be really good. I'm not selling nothing. Don't show price. No price. No price. Free. Discord free. Stage group is free. Power of 3 predicting market moves. Today did not work. 1030 power of 3. There's a 5% chance that this fails. It failed. I'll take it again every time, you know? 5% according to 2023. You gonna record the event? Does you rate it on the upside? It's confirmed. Don't show live chart? Can you check gold? What do you mean don't show live chart? Gold? Oh, that's, bro, I wouldn't even. That's awful. That's awful price action right there. I'm more than happy trading Nasdaq with red folder news. Chill tits early enter. Buy or sell. Waiting for 11:30. I like the hourly. There's still a 15 higher. I would favor longs, but I wasn't gonna take longs from here. We fell short. Couple ticks. It's rare delivery. Very rare delivery. Might be best to just come back in PM, play the range. Yeah, NQ6 system setup. Strategy called PO3. PO3. My model is called GEMS. My execution morning strategy. I use PO3 to predict market moves. I use PO3 to trade distribution. Soup? It's such a risky soup. No. Recording? Recording the stage? I don't know if I'll record the stage. It's going to be a lot of like me responding to questions, waiting for people. I think you just got to be there, you know? Live event, you got to be there. If you miss it, you still have the book. Yeah, I'm bullish as well. If 11:30 can somehow come here, then I'll look for the long, but if not, then we'll just let it go. I was surprised we left that open, but which one's good buying? Both. You have the wrong entry model for that structure? What do you mean? The 15 stays open, stays open. Nothing else makes sense to trade. Risk rewards is not good. What's the DOL? Hive day. ES will get there first, probably. What do you mean, Richard? How would you enter this? Every expansion move is a PO3. Every expansion move. If you can identify your protected high and low in the PO3, you have a good trade always. Can you name it? Name what? This is NASDAQ futures. This isn't crypto. I'm not trading crypto. 3 pushes into an order block and goes up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't trade like that. I don't trade like that. To me, that's just a pattern. I don't think market moves because 1, 2, 3 into order block moves. Market runs on liquidity and inefficiency. What you looking for? Looking for an 11:30 power of 3. See if we can catch a distribution going into lunch. If not, then if we don't come down here, this crypto, no crypto. I don't know how to control my emotions. I'll start by setting your rules. We missed the long. 11:30 power of 3. Yeah, what do you know about 11:30 power of 3? Let me teach you about 11:30 power of 3. You want to trade NASDAQ? I trade ES as well. How do imbalances look on the chart? Fair value gaps. Who's the best to teach trading? ICT on YouTube. Bullish to previous day high. High of day. Minis or micro. You know what? We could actually get a bearish power of 3. If we take the high here on ES. Whoa, someone sent a love you, Myro. Appreciate you, bro. You know what? I like this. We took one trade. I'll wait for this. I'll wait for this. But what is this? This is NASDAQ futures. I told you we weren't bearish. How can you say we weren't bearish when we literally dumped 383 points? We're up 260. You're right about this. You were right about that. It didn't continue to previous day low. I was wrong about that for sure. But I would take that short every time. Like I said, 5% probabilities. Can you learn me to trade? I can help you. The buy side gets taken here. The timing's pretty good. We can get 11:30 power of 3. I like this setup, actually. Yeah, I like this setup. Let's see. I need to see the SMT, though. Casper SMC, I wouldn't watch. He teaches some concepts wrong. I wouldn't. Personally, I wouldn't. Yep, you have to understand the time. Seek and destroy condition, for sure. Seek and destroy condition. Do you use discount and premium? Because I don't see people drawing it out. Or just you just use hindsight it. You just hindsight it? Do I use discount premium? I kind of just keep it in the back of my mind. I probably don't use it as I did once when I was trading starting out. Yeah, ICT is the best for sure, bro. I think ES will take the high. Like, I think this could potentially happen. And I think ES will come all the way up here. We put in SMT. And then we go short from there. What does Casper teach wrong? He teaches order blocks wrong. He teaches fair value gaps wrong. He doesn't. I don't think he's put in much time into ICT's lectures. We'll see. If the power 3 sets up nicely, we'll do it. If not, it's gonna. If you're gonna watch ICT, they have to be 2 times speed. You're gonna miss it out. I can't find. Can you write the name? I got you. Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. Watch the 2022 mentorship. See if we can get a reversal deviation here. It's kind of a stretch. A lot to wait for. Who teaches ICT wrong? Casper. Unless he's teaching his own concepts, but he teaches the order block wrong, teaches the fair value gap wrong. 2022 is the best. We are comparing to the ICT silver bullet. Yep, silver bullet's a great strategy. MNO is midnight opening price, true day opening price. It could just be an 1130 power of 3, and then this is your dollar liquidity. Then we consolidate here. Yeah, it's possible. Dalton TGR. He also teaches some things wrong, but he's a good trader from what I see. So doesn't mean you can't be profitable. I'm not saying they're not profitable. I'm not saying don't listen to them. But I'm saying is if you want to learn ICT the way ICT teaches it, they do not teach it correctly. According to ICT. Maybe their concepts work. I don't know. I'm not talking about that. But in terms of ICT, I've watched every lecture multiple times. I know the concepts right or wrong. And they teach a lot of them wrong. I don't think we're going to sit here and wait for the full hour. I've gotten 3 payouts, Fofo. What's the eval on? Top step ones, minus 200. My fund of futures, minus 600. Told you to enter after price break even, break 500. Now you missed the trade. Oh no. ICT Mind Glorious King. Where can I find the videos where he explains about times? What's the vibe today? Don't think we're getting much here. I expect it to come here. From there, I don't know. Yep, 2022 mentorship. What's the eval on? Oh, we already answered that. Can you please share your standard deviation fib settings? Yeah, which one? This one's the reversal deviation. My fund did 4x better in terms of passing rules. You top tipped it on some. Yo, send me the execution, bro. Or send me the trade, bro. This is the settings. Oh, the eval. Minus 200 on top step. Minus 5 or what did I say? 5 or 6. 6 minus 6 on buy funded futures. Would you recommend core content? I wouldn't even recommend core content. There's very good information in there. I would focus on watching this 1030 PO3 you can distribute up. We'll see. Nope, I don't think so. It's gonna go down. I think it's gonna come here, and then from there, I'm not even gonna. I won't be here that long. Won't be here that long. That's my TGR. I'm sure he's a great trader. That's not how I use it. I expect it to come here. If it's a reversal deviation, it'll stop here. If it's a distribution, then it'll go to -4, take out the buy side. But notice that it's going to be an SMT. I'm expecting an SMT like this. We can take this long. 15-second confirmation, I'll take this long. If we get the 15-second inversion, I'll go long. And it just wicked. Just in general, that's what I'm saying. It's very situation based. In general, if you're looking for a distribution, you expect minimum -2, -2.5. Distribution targets will go to -4 mostly. If you're looking for a deviation, short my guy. Nah. We didn't even get to the buy stops on ES. If we did, then maybe, but we put relative equal lows and highs on both sides. Tough market. We didn't even tap the rejection block on this one. So good shit, good shit, good shit connected. I'll wait for this inversion, if anything. 5 minutes, 3 minutes left. If it inverses, we'll go long. If not, then we're done. We're done. Yeah, not a clean reverse. See, not a clean range deviation. It should have rejected here. There is no 2022 in ICT channel. There is, bro. You gotta go to the channel, go to playlist. It'll say ICT 2022 measure 41 videos. Is it 41 or 43? I forget. If we inverse this, I'll go long. 2 minutes. 1 minute fair value gap closes, 1 minute enters, 1 minute retraces. Yeah, the timing makes sense. 11:37. That timing makes sense. If we inverse, I'll go long. It'll be the last trade of the day. I'll enter as soon as it inverses, if it does. And we'll target like something like this. Whenever ES takes the buy side, is our target. If it doesn't inverse, we're gonna just stop here. We'll be done. Yep, I finished all the mentorship videos multiple times. Already it's slow, so it already should already be like trading up here. It's already slow. Doesn't look like the inversion's coming. Distorted market for sure. Very distorted market. 15-minute immediate rebalance. After 2022, I recommend 2024. But once you finish 2022, you should start trading. Start demo trading, backtest trading, forward testing, live. I don't care. Whatever you do, start using the model. Start getting a feel for the market. With 2022, you have enough. I want to see a big candle. You take that long? No. I'll take it here though if it inverses. The 5-minute close bearish. Yeah, we have to wick. Every single PO3 is like failing to get the buy side, rejecting off the OB. Yeah, sure. It's a really deep retracement just to reject off an OB. Really deep retracement. Not typical. Not typical. Yep, 2022 works in all markets. All markets. We'll give it a chance though. We'll give this a chance on the 2-minute maybe. We'll give it a chance. The OB is there. We'll see. If it inverses on the 2, we'll take it. If not, it's out. That's okay. I don't think it's going to inverse based on this candle, but quite surprising that it didn't take the buy side here. Just relative equal highs on both sides is rare. Definitely seek and destroy condition. Failure swings on both NQ rated. So the buy side here, it came up to the OB on ES. Didn't take the buy side. Invalidated the breaker. Like weird market. We invalidated the breaker. Which is why I still think we can go higher. You know? Let's see if we get it. 2-minute, 3-minute. Yeah, huge SMT. Very distorted market for sure. I want to see a strong pass through. It's weak every time. 10 seconds left. We'd have to risk 4. We didn't get the inversion. Drop down to the 1 minute. See if it inverses there. $11.30 PO3. Get in, it's going long. I wait for the inversion. Smaller gap above. Don't need it to go. It's okay with me. Just needs to inverse here. Fail to inverse. Small 1 minute fair value gap. If we take this candle's high, it's not a good setup. I'm gonna take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it because of the fair value gap. We'll take it because of the fair value gap. We'll find out really quick. If this inverses, we're closing the trade right away. We didn't wait for the inversion. We took it as a BPR. See if we can get a TP today. We shall see. We did get the 5 minute immediate on 11:30 says lower. Stop can be a lot better here. It can be like here. Yeah, not the best trade, honestly. Not the best trade. It's out of our control now, though. Why so nervous? Relax. I promise you I'm relaxed, brother. Candle has a flat body. Let's watch this on the 2 minute. Failed to inverse, but we did put in a bullish fair value gap, which I like. We just tapped into the 2. Strong candle. Wick. Let's see. Where do you think price is going? I think ES will take the buy side level here. I think ES will take the buy side level here. So that's what we're aiming for. Yeah, it's not a bad trade. We'd have to come above 11:30, but we'll see. It shouldn't go any lower than this if we're correct. The inverse. Yeah, could have waited for the inverse. It would have confirmed better for sure. But there was a decent chance that this candle distributed too high. So I took my chances. I'm willing to risk. I accepted the risk. It's okay. The risk is accepted. Rejected the 3. Yeah, it's probably an SL, if I'm being honest. But we'll give it a chance. This will be the last trade. I'm going to go to the gym after this. Today is pull. Pull. You getting emotional? Nah, I'm not getting emotional. Bull trap setup? Maybe. I'd wait till 12? Nah. Last trade of the day for me. See what TikTok's saying. You echo? You echo, bro. Yeah, this is stop loss. This is stop loss. I'll stop myself if this candle closes. Small risk. Yeah, I'm going to take myself out there. Small risk on that. That's okay. Let's see and watch if it inverses. I'm willing to take trades like that. It's okay. But we'll watch and see. My TP is your stop. Say wallahi, you're profitable. First couple months, last 2-3 months, no. You emotional? Nope, not emotional, brother. My TP is your stop. Bait. This guy's funny. Wait, who? Say wallahi. I'm waiting for the inverse. The inverse probably not happening. If anything, Again, rare power of 3, but it formed, invalidated the breaker, closed above the breaker, still pushed higher, just to drop back down. OTE, amount of the trade 1145. Nice. Target hit, thanks. Good job, bro. All right, going long. Go long, it's going to 2.8. Yep, as soon as this inverts, that's a good short. I'd be over trading if I took that short, but to me, not short. But we'll definitely take an L on the daily bias. You're just a chill guy. You're just a chill guy. Macro. Yep, 1150 macro's coming. So it's a surprising power of 3 that we rejected off of. But I guess NQ was more bearish. So you focus on NQ here for the shorts. NQ respected the breaker. NQ did respect the breaker. So yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense for sure. Macro, I said sell. ET Classic, what do you think about it? The last ICT charts. Still watch it all. Yep, I'd watch it all too. What is a breaker block? It's a PD array. Can you show higher time frame? Yep, let's clear up the charts now that we're done. 15-minute bearish fair value gap. 15-minute breaker. Looks like it's going to play out. Drake coin. What's on? Why don't you wait for 5-minute breaker block OTE? I don't think it's going to go up anymore. You know, if it was going to go up, it would have went so there. But who knows? Who knows? Won't even try to predict anymore. Previous day low. It's a tough market, man. Seek and destroy. It put in relative equal highs, relative equal lows. I mean, I said I like these relative equal lows. Look at the daily candle. Like, nothing clear. Nothing clear in my opinion. You just play the range. You play the range, you know? You just gotta play the range. So how do you know which is a breaker? Because you have one more breaker higher. Nope, this is not a breaker. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. This is your breaker. Your only breaker. NQ inverted this breaker, so I thought we'd be going higher, taking out the buy side. Sorry, ES. But again, we were wrong. 15-minute city hold. 11.30 power of 3 was in fact lower. So I guess we could have trusted our original idea. But that's your 11.30 open. Accumulated, manipulated. Take the buy side there. And then dump. So it's there. It's there. Deviate your standard. Deviate your distribution projections. You're already at negative 2.5. Negative 4 lines with these lows. I'd expect those lows to get taken. Probably CRT in the daily time frame. Looks like you probably just went over it, but I missed it. What trade you take today? We took 2 losses. We actually took a long here on this small fair value gap. Not the best entry. It's like a B, but that's okay. And then we took a short here. 10.30 power of 3. We were expecting distribution lower. We were wrong. We reversed the entire hourly candle. That's okay. This is a really good trade. I'll take it again. 5% chance it fails. According to my data, it ended up playing out. So that's okay. This one, this wasn't as good of a setup. It was I give it like a C plus. You wait for the inversion there is a lot better. The fact we didn't inverse but put in a bullish fair value gap. The reason I took the trade is how this candle was forming. It tapped in, started distributing, and it was early in the candle. So I thought we were going to get a really big close, and I didn't want to get slipped. I should just let the trade pass there, though. Should just let the trade pass there. After 11:15, it's all distortion. It's a demo. Real money trading evals right now. Trading evals right now. DOL entry, not DOL. Executing my predictions, to be honest. That's definitely what it is. Executing my predictions. When I'm patient, it goes. When I'm impatient, it doesn't go, you know. Which is why I like the power of 3 model. Yep, I have a lot of entry models, surprisingly. yet I still struggle with simplifying. No, I don't think simplifying would help. Don't think simplifying would help. Entries is like, surprisingly enough, like entry models is like the easiest part. Like, so many ways to get in. It's all about conviction, you know? But I'm happy. I think I'm doing really good. I don't think I've ever been doing better than how I am right now. How can I find a broker to open up a demo account? Just search up your broker, bro. I went 4 cons. Oh no, Brennan, that is not good. That is not good. I would close. Because if you don't close, it's a gamble. And I wouldn't gamble. How much you lost? 500 on the evals. No hate. It's hard to have good conviction if you have so many different conflicts and possible entries. No hate, just wondering. No, I get what you're saying. The entry models is not the hard part for me. I'll tell you why. It's because I'm waiting for a power of 3 distribution. So, it's not like I'm waiting for like, oh, which fair value gap or which order. Like, no, like I know exactly what entry I'm taking. It's all about conviction in the trade setup. Conviction in the power of 3. You know, I have so many hours in backtest with power of 3, so many hours in backtest in general. I guess just not enough. Just need some more conviction. More conviction. But I'm happy with how I'm doing. How long you trade daily? Usually I stop by 11. Today we wait for one more setup. I'm trying to get these evals going. Blow or pass. I'm trying to get these evals going. I'm not trying to stay on the same eval for like a month. So, trade today. 2 losses today, brother. Sawin SJ. ICT talks about time, 11 a.m. or p.m. 11 a.m. How many percent you're picking monthly on a daily basis? 0. How long does the evaluation take? However long it takes for you to pass. Bruno, it doesn't really work like that. It's more of a payout system. When you get payout, you get paid. GG, I've been watching you all week and you've been killing it. Appreciate you, bro. Just lost the same trade. That's okay, bro. Could you explain why you took the long, even if it was bearish FEG? You're right. I was trying to predict the inversion fair value gap here. I thought it was going to close above. So I thought this candle was going to continue. This candle right here. Thought it was going to continue. In hindsight, I could have closed it as soon as the candle didn't continue. You know? Yeah, why don't I just do that? It just makes so much more sense. If I want to get a good entry, yeah, it's so simple. Yeah, I should probably add that. If I'm going to try and predict an inversion, I should just close the trade if it doesn't inverse on the candle I'm predicting. Right? Anyways, tried to predict the inversion. It failed, obviously. And then, yeah. So you could have waited for the inversion for the confirmation. I tried to predict it and it paid the price. You know, my prediction was wrong, so we paid the price. Luckily, there's a really small risk, so that's why I was okay with it too. With a really tight stop loss on that one, which is good because as soon as it comes down here, like it was like a 10-point stop loss there only. Traders don't predict; they react. Reacting's too slow. Reacting is too slow. IFEGs are best entry by far. For you, maybe, yeah, that's fine. It's pretty preference in my opinion, but anyway, there's your -2, -2.5. Again, I do like these lows though. Depends on the trader. I guess depends on the trader. Yeah, if you can find profitability reacting to the market. For me, I predict, I wait, and then I react. You know, the first step's always predict though. Looks like a stop. Yeah, it's gonna come to these lows. It's gonna come to these lows, and it'll probably come within 0.5 standard deviations of these lows. -2.5, -0.5. You good, trader? No beef, brother. Just here to give my opinion. We can talk, bro. No, no SMT yet. No SMT. ICT talks about time in all his lectures, all his mentorships. He doesn't have one specific lecture on time. Isn't that you guys think that's a coincidence? I don't think so. I don't think that's a coincidence. Ugh. He talks about time being the most important thing, yet he doesn't have any singular video or lecture explaining how to use time in your trading. He puts it in every single part. I think that's not a coincidence. Fair value gap, it's this right here. I don't want to take this setup. 12 power of 3 is here. 90-minute cycle starting at 7 a.m. But I don't use 90-minute cycles, bro. I don't use those cycles. I don't use quarterly theory. I use power of 3. Power of 3 is in the chart. It's not a theory. There's no power of 3 theory. Although I do say in my book, I'm dropping power of 3 advanced theory. It's not really theory. You can't hide power of 3. Cycles is hidden. You don't even know for sure if it's true. Quarterly theory is hidden. You don't even know for sure if it's true. I backtested quarterly theory. Time cycles, there was actually some consistency. Quarterly theory was not consistent for me in backtest at all. So I don't use time cycles. But PO3, you cannot hide PO3 in the charts. You cannot. Every single distribution is a power of 3 distribution. You cannot hide it. You just need to know which one you're in. What do you think are the worst most useless ICT concepts? None of them are useless. Let's get that straight. None of them are useless. None. It just depends which ones you want to use, you know? The most useless. CRT only works in the context of power of 3. That's why I don't like CRT. CRT works for the wrong reasons. If your candle range theory is going to work, it's because you're trading PO3 distribution. That's why I teach PO3. That's why I trade PO3. That's why I have hours. When I say hours, I'm talking thousands of hours in backtest. PO3. That's it. It's the one thing they cannot hide. It's the one thing that it's not a theory. It's not questionable. It's in the charts. Anyone can see it. The information is there. PO3, you cannot hide real distribution. Have you ever come across Strat? No idea what Strat is. Nope. Bro, can you tell how to sell up in GBP USD today? Yeah, let's look quickly. I'll show you in the context of PO3 distribution. Always look back. When you go back to study PO3, look at the PO3 setup and see where it's distributing from. Pre-market reversal. Rare, but it happens. You trade the New York continuation here. This is a liquidity sweep. This is probably something, power of 3 AMD. What's PO3? Power of 3 AMD. The candles that distribute with large bodies are all PO3 distributions. Every single market move is a distribution. If you want to be there, the book is dropping this Friday. Pretty much everything I know in the last year, from ICT, from backtest, from many lost trades, many missed moves, is pretty much going to be inside this book. It's in the Discord. It's free. I'm not selling it. The Discord's free. The book is free. This Friday, 12 o'clock. So if you want to be there, join the Discord. I'll send you guys a link in the TikTok if you want to join. YouTube, I'll send you a link too. If you want to be there, be there. If you don't, doesn't matter to me. If you want to trade this, you got to frame the trade off this rejection block. It's pretty much the only way. Yep, it's in Discord. It's in my Discord. The book's releasing this Friday at noon. So 24 hours from now, exactly. There's your rejection block. There's your inversion bearish fair value gap. That's not a bad setup, actually. Wow. 1 minute might be cleaner. 3 minutes, nice though. Take care, sorry, man. That's how, sorry, man. Standard deviate this move. Although I don't like doing it on the 3 minute, I'll go to the 1 minute. I always do my deviations on the 1 minute because it's a time interval, right? Like the 1 minute is a time interval. your last manipulation, in which case it's all this range anyways. We just got to -2.5. See if that aligns with the level. Is there anything here? Damn, nothing. Just the deviations, huh? Weekly? You got the weekly bullish trade value gap low, kind of aligns. So I guess you could have done that TP level. It fell short. It's going down. 12 o'clock, power of 3. Hourly candle, distribution for the previous 30-minute PO3. I expect lower, but we'll see. We shall see. Can you teach rejection block in Discord today? Not today, brother, but I can go over it tomorrow. It's confusing. Yes, it is confusing. Simplified the most. A lot of people don't know this. Man, the rejection block theory is really good. I'll tell you why people don't know it. A lot of people would sit here and they'd wait for this high to get taken. There's liquidity resting above the body high. This is all liquidity. This is your liquidity pool, kind of. That's not how ICT teaches it, but it's kind of what he hints at. So obviously the bulk of your liquidity, like you have the swing high, which we know there's liquidity resting above, but there's also liquidity resting above this body. The algorithm refers to that. So it doesn't need to, ever. It doesn't ever need to take out the high, right? It doesn't ever need to actually take out the high. So the rejection block is actually a PD ray, just like the swing high is a PD ray. So this is a PD ray, right? But this block, this imaginary block right here, it's also a PD ray. See how it respects 50%? Didn't even get there. Beautiful. So it's also a PD ray. How do you know if it's going to take the high or low? Use PO3. You ready? You ready? I'll show you. No protected low. No protected low. This will be in the trade. This will be in the book as well. Identify your protected low in PO3, assuming you're not trading a time distortion, and then yep. So tapping into a rejection block will invalidate an order block. So if he's entering off an order block, his stop loss is at the rejection block pretty much. You can reduce your stop loss. That's kind of the functionality of that. I remember that as well. 10 a.m., no protective low. How do you know if it's going to keep pumping at 10 or not? Is 10 a.m. distributing a previous power of 3? Check. No. Definitely not. It's already distributed. Key level. You have to have the right bias too. What ICT series would you recommend? Did you pull out the sub? No, we didn't. We missed it. 2022 model, 2024. And there it is, 12 a.m. power of 3. Although this kind of looks like a range deviation, but we'll see if it goes lower to the black line, like we said. I already took 2 trades today, so we're not going to take this one, but the rejection block, you go to the swing point. So this is a rejection block. Go to the swing point of the candle. Take the highest body. That's your rejection block. How many pages is the book? The book's going to be 20 pages. I think 20 pages-ish. And yeah. 20 pages. This Friday at noon, I recommend everyone come, to be honest. I promise you, you'll learn something. It's not going to be crazy long. 30 minutes, 1 hour maybe. Let's see if this FEG reacts, and then we'll go make some breakfast. And bro's reading resistance on 1 minute. I don't trade support and resistance, brother. How many pages sounds good? Yeah, I mean, I could have made it fucking 100 pages if I really wanted to. It's impossible to capture everything. Like, it's impossible, man. There's too much. There's too much. So I tried to get the bulk of what I was trying to teach, the main takeaway is definitely take anything. We took 2 losses today, brother. The main takeaway is understanding that every single distribution that comes is a PO3. Use that to your advantage. That's the main takeaway. That's the main takeaway. Very, very precise concepts coming here. Very precise concepts. This is looking like a range deviation, like I said, but we'll see. Looks like a stage 2 market maker sell model as well. Bearish inversion here confirms the move, but we'll see. Difficult market conditions. Seek and destroy makes power of 3 very difficult because your reversal times are off. Your deviations are fine, but your reversal times, your distribution times are misproportionate. Like today, we got a 10:30 reversal. It's rare. Seek and destroy, it's not as rare, but because you had your 30-minute distribution, and then your protected higher low gets taken. All right, we'll stay here for 1 or 2 more minutes. See if this inverses. Exactly. We're trying to trade PO3 distribution, so when you get seek and destroy conditions, it's very difficult for PO3 to be effective. Which is why I talk about seek and destroy in my book. The very first page of my book, the second or third page, it talks about high resistance liquidity. Understand your weakness always. Always understand your weakness. That's my weakness. Seek and destroy. Looks like we'll take this time distortion high. Consolidation high. Let's see this. Well, that's why I don't always trade daily power of 3, brother. Sometimes I trade 9:30 power of 3. Sometimes it's hourly power of 3. It's not always daily power of 3. This rejects off here, comes lower. That'd be nice. But, whoa, I didn't mean to click that. Take that off right away. That was a misclick. Look at your daily candles. Yep. Yep, doesn't look like much is happening. We tapped the rejection block there, but we'll see if the inversion happens. I would start with 2022. S&P to lows. Yep, S&P to lows as well. But I like this. Too clean. I don't like this rejected off 0.5 because we're still in the 11:30 candle distribution. That's why it's very difficult. You need to understand the advanced theory because it doesn't have to be 12 o'clock distribution lower. It's still 11:30 distribution higher. 11 a.m. lower. 11 a.m. Where's 11 a.m.? Oh, 11 a.m. higher. Very interesting. In fact, we inverse this. Shitty now. Shitty. Order block. Sorry, mitigation block. Order block. It's not clean. It's not clean at all. The SMT is still there, but looks like ES will take the lows and then maybe reverse. Anyways, we'll see. I'll leave this open. I'll come back later in the day, see if this plays out. That's it for me today. Everyone on TikTok, appreciate you coming. Today was difficult. Today we did not predict accurately, so I'm going to give myself a loss on the daily bias counter. So far we're 3-1. So 3 wins, 1 loss. Daily bias was incorrect. The only thing we pretty much predicted, I mean, we got these little moves predicted correctly, but we did not. We should have predicted. I should have said seek and destroy. Do you have Twitter? I do. SMT, the divergence between assets. We back tomorrow? Yep, back tomorrow. Difficult day, seek and destroy. We could have tried to predict it better. Tough market. Coming that close to previous day low. We did tap the rejection block, like I said. I'll look at that. Oh yeah, I'll definitely look at ICT. What's your monthly RR average, if you don't mind me asking? It's usually 2. It's usually higher than 2, but last 2 months. Last month was a losing month. The month before that was profitable. The month before that and that were all break even. And then before that was all profitable. So tough one. He took a sell where you took a buy. He took a sell where you took a buy. He sold this. Yeah, this was a good sell. I would have taken this, but I already took 2 trades, and I didn't want to overtrade. This inversion right here is classic redistribution. Classic redistribution here. What's your entry model? I have many entry models. I'll watch that trade. For sure. I'll put it on now. 15-minute breaker. I like the 15-minute breaker here, and that was my initial bias. But look at NQ. NQ didn't just, it closed above, or look at ES, closed above the breaker. Like I understand it, but to me, I was like, that's what made me skeptical. The closure above the breaker on 15-minute, like a wick, sure, but closure above, it made me skeptical. That's why I originally was gonna look for shorts from here. And 11 a.m. power of 3, 11:30 power of 3. If you guys remember, that's your 11:30 power of 3. But I didn't because I was skeptical about the. Yeah, no, we're done today, King. We're just looking at price, not trading. I was skeptical about the breaker closure on AES. I should have trusted it though. Just saying that it was more bearish on NQ, take the short. I probably wouldn't have hit TP though. If I'm being honest, I would have held it to here. Probably would have ended up breaking even on this fair value gap or something. So I don't know if did ICT take profits. I'm curious now because where is he TPing? Did he get break even? Did he get partials at a deviation or something? Where did ICT take his profits? Because I would have taken those equal low. I would have held that shit to the equal lows. Let's look at this together. See what Phil was talking about here. New York AM yesterday low. Wait, oh, this short. Yeah, no, this one's good. I was talking about something else. I didn't take a trade there. Let me show the stream. He shorted. It looks like he shorted. He waited for the retracement back. Reclaimed breaker block. Okay. Damn. Precise. Very precise. Waited for mean threshold tap. Hit the retracement. Second. He got those lows? Did he TP at the rejection block? Yeah, because it didn't hit the lows. Where did he TP? Hold on. Where are those lows? I didn't see those lows. How does he even have that on his chart? Hold on, I'm curious now. What lows is he TPing at? These lows? Yesterday PM session low? Not bad. I went short there expecting it to continue. He didn't leave a runner for the rejection block? That's not like him. Oh, he did? 2594, is that the rejection block level? 2594? Wait, 2594? Did he TP at London lows? Well, he only did one contract. He let it run to 2549. 2549. What's 2549? Where that? 2549. These lows here. This low. How does he even see that on his chart? My chart doesn't even go back that far. How did he even get it on his chart? Like, wait, bro, what day is this? This is not today, is it? Am I tripping, bro? How did he make his chart so he can even see that? Can't even see that on my chart. Oh, wait, I'm tripping because the time was different. So he was like this. No, but still. Huh? You got a big ass monitor, I guess. 2549. It's these lows, right, that he's talking about? 2549. This is, let's look at NQ here because it's probably different. Not he was on RTH. Nice. What's 2549 though? The equal lows? Just a couple of deviations below. Surprising he didn't take the rejection block. Yep, regular trading hours. Yeah, now I see it. Now I see it. So his chart looked like this at the time. So he took the breaker, huh? This breaker? Which breaker did he take? Yep, that breaker right there. Yeah, he did. So it's clean. It's reclaimed, but it's clean. You thought you're going to gym? I'm going to the gym at 2. Usually I eat breakfast and then go. We already ate a small breakfast. I'll eat another breakfast. That is pretty clean. The breaker lines at negative 2.5. Not bad. It's a hard one. It's a hard one to catch. Do you guys have LA Fitness? Yep, I go. That's where I go. I go to LA Fitness. Interesting. Very interesting. And then you get time distortion all the way through. Yeah, right? I personally would never look at that breaker and be like, oh yeah, reclaim that shit. Time to dump. That is not how I looked at the market at that time. Tell you that much. But you don't have to, you know? You don't have to look at. What is this box that I drew? That's what I told myself. I would never look at that and be like, yeah, reclaim breaker. Let's fucking dump. Definitely a lot of ways to catch this short though. You can just use the order block. You can use the fair value gap. Fair value gap's the easiest one. Silver bullet. Little mohawk. Inversion right away. He was already in here, no? No, he was in here. Well, anyway, that's going to be it for me. If you're here, appreciate you guys coming through YouTube, TikTok. Appreciate all of you guys. This Friday, we're dropping the PO3 book inside the Discord. If you want to join, it's free. The book drop is free. 12 o'clock tomorrow Eastern time. So around 23 hours from now, we'll be there live in the Discord on stage. Everyone's going to be there. You don't want to miss it. Completely free. Take care and see you guys tomorrow. Peace.